Hello traders, Wood Ray with HypedOnCrypto.com, your #1 source for cryptocurrency technical analysis and blockchain education. In this live stream, episode 77 of Crypto and Chill. Blood in the streets once again, nothing new. As someone said, I don't know, it's gonna look like a murder scene with all the red. And then I responded with, this is a joke. Oh my gosh, we're under 9,000 when we were praying for 7,000 when we started streaming. We were just begging for it. So I mean, oh my goodness. You know, we deleted our channels because talking in the Patreon chat, I think Driz T had a really good point, and I think I want to draw what we were looking at. So we will look at it in just a second. Alright, so this is it. I don't even know. You're pretty much grasping at straws at this point. Just taking the first real swing low of this entire run, the first one, okay? You're just plotting here, and you're just doing this. Touching these 2 points, right? And just moving it like that. That's all you're doing, and you're just going up here like this. That's it. You know, you came up here, it looks like the heart line was tested here, here, and here. And it looks like we could go further if that's the case. On this chart, it seemed like on his Bittrex chart, the wick went further down or something like that, or it touched. But on this chart, it doesn't seem like we're getting that luxury. But nevertheless, that might be something to think about or consider as being an option of where we are. But yeah, and I mean, you're still above the wedge, that trend line, so you got that going for you. And again, of course, you're making a lower low than your previous low with lower levels of negative momentum, bullish divergence, okay. So it just keeps drying up. So hope you're having a wonderful evening despite your block folios, unless you're shorting. If you're shorting, hey, heck yeah. Good for you, right? So, okay. What's up, Crypto Colorado? Jonathan, Donovan, Colby wants TNT, got it. Nick, TRX on the list. Jason, Knowles on the list. Knowles actually looks pretty good. Burning down the house, yes, Jonathan. What's up, Mr. Selecki? ADA on the list. Yeah, we can put MTH on the list. I don't know what that is, but Scary Days, Akshay, DGD on the list. Is resistance the drink word? Well, okay. Resistance. So Julia. Crypto Analyst. Packed? Yeah, right. This isn't even our final form. What's up, Maddie Real Estate, Crypto Farmer, Elevate Bitcoin, Mihao. You enjoyed the webinar? I'm glad you did. I was nervous. It was my first one. But I think we got a lot of stuff covered in that webinar. Your favorite TV show? Are you sure, Crypto Analyst? What about Breaking Bad? Or something else? What's up, Brad? Mandy? Good afternoon. Ah, we have a Kiwi in the house. Coach K, time to respect the TA. Let's go, man. Hello, one-man army. XRP, well, we're going to cover XRP. You know, it's the third coin we'll always cover. Mandy wants Gollum coin. Mandy is, in fact, a Lord of the Rings fan, evidently. What's up, Vasha? Yeah, I don't know what this is. Let's do this. I don't know what I'm listening to. I just got tired of listening to the same stuff every time. And it was killing me. Seriously. So, yes, MK. Yes, man. Bloodbath. What's up, Fazan King? Derek. Yeehaw. Let's get some value. Velaroo. Party people? That's right. We're partying. Driz T. Shout out. Godzooks. Hello, man. Oh, man. any kind of S coin, Donovan, that had good value is probably gone now. I'm sure they're just a handful that you had to scan through to see, and even if those are finding value, they'll probably get stomped out. So yes, I mean probably. What I'm drinking? IPA, of course. Oh, it's Bitfinex? Okay, I'm just seeing, look, 1, 2, 3 touch points here. What were you doing? Did you disregard those and do that or something? Because I see these 3 right here, and it hadn't even touched yet. Hey, Melissa. What's up? Thank you. Appreciate it. Hard to tell with all the red. Resistance, cheers. Yes, Derek. Hello, Jeff. Can you check RIP to Bitcoin? Absolutely. It'll be the first one we check. Kappa. Not Kappa, though, right? Savina? Neo? Sure, man. I mean, my God. It's crazy, you know, do the live stream, and then I do the webinar, and then I do some chores and eat dinner. God forbid, and then I come back, and it's just like, okay. See ya, everything. See ya all. The whole entire market. Bye. What's up, Sasquatch? Okay, we did it, man. What is this music? I have to go back. Like, I don't have time to DJ and play retro wave because there's not enough retro wave on the internet. We've played all the music that's good that's retro wave that's not copyright. Okay, so.
Billy Langford tipped $10. Keep up the excellent work.
Hey, Billy, man, thanks so much for the $10 contribution. You Jesus, man. Really appreciate you. Really do. It's like, why would I even get a dime tonight, man? This market, who can afford it, right? Oh my God. Alright, thanks, dude. Really appreciate you. Okay, I'll at least turn back on our other audio, whatever. So I don't have time to sift through terrible music. So terrible, like, it's like every terrible song, there's gonna be a terrible altcoin to match it, okay? You can just do that. Alright, Bitcoin, if this is your channel, if you're using your first swing low of the run up, there you go. See how it plays out. You know, you're holding a support candle body close looking left, at least at that 89.11 area. So got that going for you too with the bullish divergence. Lowest level of RSI, technically, because it's actually lower than this spot. Lowest level since April 1st. Great stuff, Bitcoin. You're a real winner. There's Ethereum. Yeah, nice Ethereum. Bullish engulfing candle. Close enough to it. Getting back above the 20 and the 50. I like it, man. Insanely low levels of negative momentum when you did break down. Ha, what a joke. Look at that. What is that, man? What a joke. Okay, so as we said, stay above your 50 and 20 and everything else will work itself out. And now we're breaking to the upside with 46 minutes left on the 4-hour candle. So great. No issues here on this channel. This channel's very well established. There's no like, oh, is it this? Is it that? Well, it keeps breaking down. Keeps breaking down. We don't have to do that. Okay, this is very well established. This is inverse Bitcoin. Okay, this is DeJesus coin. Okay, talking about seriously good performance over this past 5-week period. So you got to give your tip your hat to Ethereum for being such a wonderful coin. Okay, nothing like Bitcoin. So get over the heart line, right? Break that heart line. You kind of struggled getting above it multiple times, as you can see throughout the channel. You've used it as resistance. So if you get back above that, things should be really good. And you need to break that previous candle body close, which is you're right at it. You're right at it. Okay, so break it and we can pop the champagne. So good stuff, Ethereum being a real winner. Okay, in this sea of losers. Okay, let's go to another loser. Ripple. Hey, look! Oh my goodness! It's still wicked down though. Oh, look at that weakness. What do you add on your RSI? You're 30 on the RSI? Jeez, man. Just give me a break, man. Just terrible. What do you even want? It's just bad. Just a lot of weakness, and fell through this descending triangle, fell through the 200 MA. Hey, great for the technology and all that. Yeah, okay, it's going to be a real winner with technology, but we're talking about a trend, and you fell below critical levels of support, multiple ones. Okay, it's you're kind of over. Okay, you got this one last miniature little swing high you're using as a support right here. That's it. You can hold, maybe. We'll see. Oh wow, you still somehow have bullish divergence. Of course. Of course. And nothing good on the RSI, just showing pathetic strength. It's the RWI, the Relative Weakness Index, okay, for Ripple. Great. Below all MAs, there's nothing good about this coin except you somehow held this support here. So there you go. Not much more to talk about. Hanging on by a thread by some random little swing, miniature swing high. Okay, cool, man, cool. Here's Ripple. BNB. Also, yep, being a loser. Okay, cool. Broke down. Tested your 200 MA again, and somehow you're holding above this old upward sloping trend line of the ascending triangle that turned out to be a bust. So yeah, we'll see if we can hold that. Doesn't even matter. It's all based on Bitcoin. So from now on, it's like, not is BNB gonna hold? Nope. Is Bitcoin gonna hold? Sure. If Bitcoin holds, then BNB holds. So it's Bitcoin to the US dollar tether right here. Okay. Might as well just stay on Bitcoin all night. Okay, let's go to TNT. Dumpster fire? Oh man. Close enough to a dumpster fire. My God. I remember when it was up here and it was like, well, let's just wait. Let's just wait for it to get down here. And it finally got here. What will it do though? It's literally holding right now. It wicked down and it's back up inside this channel technically, right? Again, just kind of like Ripple, still somehow, some way finding bullish divergence. Still somehow, some way finding bullish divergence on your RSI as well. So, yep, holding above that critical level of upward sloping support and bullish divergence on both oscillators with literally no volume, nothing at all. So 41 minutes left. Bitcoin dumps, this is going with it. Doesn't matter about any kind of trend that you're in. It's a joke. So there you go. Awesome job on staying. You didn't get stopped out if you were in this. You're right back to where you initially bought in. So there you go. That's it, Colby. Hope you're doing well on this, man. There you go. Finally found it. We were patient and waited. And that's it. This is where we are now. We're at entry level, you know? So TNT, not much more to talk about, right? TRX. We did broken out of that sim triangle bearishly. Nasty breakdown. Nasty, nasty breakdown. No more bullish divergence. Sorry. The huge spike in negative momentum. Well, relative. No more bullish divergence on your RSI either. You hit the lowest levels of relative strength that you had seen since the 1st of April. April Fool's Day, like so many others. Okay, just like Bitcoin. Okay, so remember we talked about the 765 area, that being a 618, this 62% retracement from the swing low to swing high. We said that was a very real possibility. You know why? Because it's pretty much confluent with the measured move of the sim triangle. So we got close, but we hit it though. A little bit of volume picked up, but there you go. That's Tronics. Just kind of playing out the way we thought it might play out, especially as soon as we broke this sim triangle. So there you go, man. It's Tronics. Thanks, James. Appreciate it. Oh, thanks, Julia. Wish you could do Kin. I wish I could do everything that's not non-copyright. Neo, everything. Everything's being bad. It's not like there's a couple that aren't, and then everything else is terrible. You obsess over TRX, Derek? Oh man, you're not the first and you're not the last. What's up, Ed Onde? Ed Ond? Thanks, Ed. S&M. Haven't looked at that in a good 4 or 5 days, I don't think. So, okay. There you go, Tronics. Kind of doing what we thought it'd do. So, 38 minutes left on this 4-hour candle. Knowles, one that's not S-ing the bed, right? Excellent, man. Excellent, Jason. Okay, your measure moves up here, 49,312. Let's go, man. Let's make it. You see, like it doesn't. It's just so difficult to, you know, falling wedge pattern and bullish divergence and bottom. You know, like the TA works, and then like on a lot of coins it just doesn't. So it's just it's weird, man. Really weird. So, yeah, huge sim triangle. Remember this trade back here? And now we're broke to the upside, falling wedge pattern. We broke out of it. So there you go. That's that measure move, 49,312. So, well on our way. See if we can get it. Positive momentum's building. Every time you make a high, you're making a higher level of positive momentum. And also, every time you make a high, you're making higher levels of relative strength. So that's great. Great to see it, man. Alright, man. Let's go, man. Let's Knowles. Good, Sasquatch. I'm glad, man. I'm glad your biggest holding is Ethereum. So. We're moving though. We're moving on. I mean, the volumes. You know, I guess it picked up somewhat more than you had. You know, it's good when you broke out. Your volume picked up, so it's always good to see that. Man, it's nice to see it move like that, right? Getting like session highs of this 4-hour candle while we're on it, so that's cool to see, man. Yeah, Jason, anytime, man. Cheers to your wallet. Alright, Knowles. Let's see if we can hit it. We'll set an alert for Jason. We're setting an alert on the horizontal line if we hear the beep. Party time. If not, yeah, oh well. Back to business as usual, right? ADA, oh man. I'm sure this one's great. There you go, man. It actually did. Remember we adjusted because we had this wick? We said, hey, screw it. We're just going to adjust the trend line to this right here. And look where we're at. No more bullish divergence really in the shortest term, but you still have it all over the place. You know, depending on where you want to measure from, right? Still have it pretty severely from multiple lows, but not from your most immediate low. It's actually picked up. So, and wow, you want to talk about some significance? Lowest level of RSI you've seen since the 18th of March. Remember that? It was around St. Patrick's Day. Oh my God, man. Talk about very weak. The weakest levels in a month and a half or so. Okay. Great stuff, ADA. Congratulations on your terrible weakness. We've retraced now. Hey, 78%. Touching off that 200 MA. It's pretty much do or die time. We've done this before. I don't know if it's on this chart or not. Nah, dang it. I can't remember what chart it was. I know maybe it was ADA on hold on. Yeah. What was it again? What do we retrace down here? This insane spike up. I can't remember. It was like was it 78% swing low to swing high? Hey, look at that, man. Oh, look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Just for perspective, what are we doing on the other chart? Right now, we're hitting the 200 MA. And we retraced 78% of the way. What did we do way back here in November, right before the greatest run of all time for this coin? We retraced 78.6% of the way and touched the 200 MA at the same time before we said see you bye. There you go, man. I'm just saying. It's just funny. Funny how things work. I don't know. Alright, so I'm not saying that's going to happen again, but history is interesting, is it not? Let's go back. Remember, 78%, 200 MA. Okay. What's up, Lord Dumpington, man? The weekend's gonna be fantastic. Why is that? TRX got the pump today? Yeah. Volatile City? Yeah. Just reading chat. Okay, so ADA with the adjustment looks fine. And again, weakest levels since the 18th of March. I'm telling you, man, but don't give up on this yet. Don't give up until you fall way below the 200 MA and confirm below it. This is a possible reversal written all over it in price action very soon. But again, that's just what TA says, and TA can be disregarded, I guess, if Bitcoin just wants to go to zero, right? So, not happening, but you know what I'm saying. So, just been beaten down most of the week. So. There you go, Wolves NTH. Never seen this in my life. Okay, man. Beaten down like a drum. Wow. Oh. Lowest level of strength you've seen since the 9th of April. Negative momentum is building. You're making lower lows than your previous low, and you're making higher levels of negative momentum. Not what you want to see on this coin. I don't know, this might be good. It would have been like this. That doesn't make sense. Now you just do it like that. Could see that. So maybe you just want to wait till we hit down here. Because it seems like, it sure as heck seems like it's going that way. I mean, what do you want? I mean, you're below all your MAs. You're look, when you broke below this 200 MA, look at the volume picked up, and your negative momentum picked up, and you're not even oversold technically yet. You're at 31, 32. So maybe just wait till you get down to like 1,080 sats. Jeez, man, that's so. What is this, man? What do they do? Wolves, do you know exactly what they do? Don't Google it. Tell me right now, what do they do? What do they do? Alright, there's your beautiful, beautiful coin. MTH. What's the retracement from the swing low, swing high? What, like 78% maybe at this point? To the T, man. 78% of the way.
THX for I bought in Cash Plaza and dying to buy in cash before McAfee does his coin of the week on it.
Yeah, Wolfsman, thanks so much for the 500 bits. Yeah, man, we'll do in cash. We'll do in cash, man. So there you go. You've retraced 78% of the way on to the T. Will you reverse? Who knows? You fell below your common areas. So good luck, man. Good luck. No longer in the short term making bullish divergence at all. Making, higher levels of negative momentum. You're below your 200, your 50, and your 20. Terrible, just pathetic. What's the measured move here? It's down here at 335. Okay, that's the measured move of this huge sim triangle we've broken out of bearishly. Okay. TA is respected here, 335. Yeah. Good luck, man. Good luck. Very weak. I mean, my God. Got down to 30 on the RSI. Wow. That's the lowest level you've seen since back at the 9th of March. You get some pretty significant stuff going on in a lot of these coins, like showing so much weakness, and we haven't seen that much weakness in months. So seeing that tonight, it's depressing. It's depressing. It's like takes me back, man, to when we were streaming, during the Great Correction, just correction phase for 3 months. Just lower lows, lower highs. Now we're doing this crap again. Could be either or, Derek. Doesn't even matter. It doesn't even matter, man.
Come on, everyone, send some bits. Mitch is a legend and deserves its smile.
Oh, man, I'm smiling. I'm smiling, man. Hey, thanks for the 500 bits, dude. Appreciate it, man. Hey, man, 1,000 bits. Heck yeah, dude. So, in cash, inverse Jesus coin. Like many are false prophet Jesus, man. Okay, we said the measure moves 335. Let's see it happen. That'd be great. I mean, you've got bullish divergence in the midterm, right? I mean, and you could say, oh, we got a wedge, man. We did it again. Got another wedge. Yeah, dude. With that wick, we now have a wedge, maybe. I don't even know anymore. Yeah. See what I'm saying? It's just, if it's even a wedge, it's more like a downward sloping channel. We did it, man. We did it. We hit the measured move, Jason. Get it out of here. We're done. In the bloodbath, we've somehow found some hope with nulls, the Jesus coin, man. Fantastic. Alright, man, whatever you want to call it, a wedge or a channel, whatever, okay? That's in cash. Star Wars Worlds would be, he might be happy, he might be sad, he'd probably be sad. He probably wouldn't even be here right now, because he would see it and say, I'm turning crypto off like everyone else. Notice when Bitcoin tanks and everything's just flooring, our viewer count gets cut in half because no one cares about crypto when it's down. man, it's like everyone loves you when you're up, but when you're down, you know, no one cares, right? DGD. I wonder how that played out. Probably gonna inverse what we thought, right? No, yeah, it kind of did. Still held that level, just broke down some. Downtrend, man. What? I mean, you had bullish divergence on your RSI, bullish divergence on your MACD. You bottomed down at the bottom of that downward sloping trend line, which equated to the very large falling wedge pattern within a downward sloping channel. So, see if you can hold that. Come down here, maybe double bottom, and then break the upside. That'd be great. Not expecting much though from this coin. I'm not expecting much from any coin at this point. Look, I mean, all I can do is chart it, tell you the TA, and you know, for the longest time, it's been respecting the TA for the most part. But with Bitcoin doing what it's doing, there's just no more volume in these coins. It's just bots, bot city. So we are waiting to see what'll happen.
Julia Gulia tipped $6.66. Drink up, my lord. Relax and enjoy yourself. The market is screwed. Let's party.
Hey Julia, thanks so much for the $6.66. You the Jesus lady. Appreciate you. Thanks so much. Thanks again. So, yep, when you broke to the upside, your level of momentum was pathetic. You know, should just break down again probably. So, right, there you go. So, can't break the 20. You come up, you test the 50 and say, yep, we still suck. We're still in a bear trend. So you break down from there. Bearish engulfing candle. Great stuff, DGD. You know, just another one of the losers. No big deal. All right, that was DGD. Let's go on to another loser, GNT. Oh wow, it broke to the upside. Oh my god. Wow. Yeah, you're in a downward sloping channel and probably a wedge of some sort, I guess, from here. Either way, here's the problem, right? Again, another one of those. Just you're below the 20 and the 50, and you're wicking off the 20. So it's always very bad. It just smells like a bear, right? You hit that simple moving average and you break below it, and you got to break above those. You don't want to use those as resistance. That just tells the market, yeah, we should still see lower prices. Let's make some lower lows again. That 22 minutes left in the 4-hour candle when you were showing very clear signs of bullish divergence for quite some time. So not on your RSI, just on your MACD. So volume gone. No one's trading this, just bots. It's a bot thing. Just bots. Sure as Mark can tell you, you're outside of this channel. You broke out. You truly did. You broke right back in, and this past 4 hours, you broke back out on a very, you know, volumes, I guess okay, but not really. So.
Valeru tipped $7.77. Repent ye of thou market negativity. Bitcoin shall moon again.
Hey, Valeru, thanks so much for that $7.77 on Crypto and Chill episode 77. Very cool, very cool. Really appreciate it, and thank you for your continued support. And yeah, we'll do all we can. We'll you know, we'll do a rain dance, okay? And we'll just wait, okay? But Bitcoin is lulling out with just very little volume, and all these altcoins are doing the same thing. So it's you know, it's kind of boring, right? These coins are just so lackluster. OST. What do you even want, man? Like, look at this. You're in this nice upward sloping channel, and of course you're like, okay, well, we've been holding it. Let's see if we can hold it. Nope. See ya. OST. Bye. Bounced off. Why is that? So looking at the daily or something? Not even sure, man. I don't know. Well, 22.91. It seems like we bounced off of that. I drew a horizontal line here, and I don't even know why. But it sure as heck used it as support. That must have been a different time frame that I Jeez, man. No telling. No telling. What a joke coin. Yeah, what do you want? You find levels of value, you give it a shot, and then you get stopped out, and that's it. So there you go, man. You know, you still have it in the midterm. You still have the bullish divergence in the midterm.
Jeff Grau 58 tip $20. Soon to be 100 shares of Ripple. What the crap, Stuart Esquire.
Hey, Jeff Grau, man, thanks so much for the $20 contribution. You the real Jesus, long snap and tight end, Jesus, man. Thanks, dude. I don't get the whole 100 coins of Ripple. I don't get that, man. But you know, there you go, man. OST, trash coin, like them all. Great. Shoulda known. Shoulda known. Oh yeah. Upward. All the others were failing and falling out of their upward sloping channel. Why would this one be any different? I don't know. And then you found like there were like 1 or 2 other ones that didn't tank. It's just like you pick an S coin, you're literally gambling. It's like which S coin is going to hold that support. You know. Again, it's like should have used my psychic abilities to say, you know what? This crap's gonna fail, like them all, so whatever. I mean, now you formed a wedge, okay. Cool stuff on your wedge, man. I don't even know why we're drawing it, because it's probably just gonna fail anyway, so. Wedge. Great, man. Congratulations. Yeah, OST. Simple token. Yeah, it's real simple, alright. Like, yeah. Okay, there you go. OST, stopped out. Garbage. Trash coin. Let's move on. Another trash coin. Yay. So fun analyzing these coins that are just so bad. Like, whatever. Yeah, falling wedge and see ya. Yeah, way below 200. And yeah, screw Neo now. Screw. I guess that's if that means screw Neo. Then hey, look, lowest level of RSI you've seen literally since the 18th of. Wow, you haven't seen an RSI this low since this. You were close here, but no, you're actually lower than these levels. Okay, back here. Nice stuff, man. Real nice stuff. Way below critical levels of support. There you go, man. TA completely laughed at and disregarded. What does that tell you? Lower high here, right? Then these highs. Lower high, lower high, lower high. Trash coin. Throw it out. Whatever. Making lower lows than your previous lows. Okay? It's really bad. Now you're currently, you know, testing a heart line right now. We'll see how long that holds up. You fall below this, see ya. See ya. This is it. There's nothing else lower than this, the heart line. I mean, that's... We're going to 74.22 if you can't hold this heart line, which it looks like you might be, so... Okay, there you go. Alright, man. Nothing more to talk about. Hold the support or you're dead. You're already falling down into these levels, which is really bad. And the fact that, you know, people are just getting out. People have just been exiting their trades on this or just their positions on this. That's why you're lower than these levels here. Okay, that's bad. Really bad. Okay, great. Nothing more to talk about. It broke a trend. This is what happens when you break your trends. Real bad breakdowns. Okay. S&M. Targets hit. Yay, we did it. We did it, man. S&M targets hit. 50% in 618. Done. Measure move of the... Wow. Measure move of the wedge. Hit. Wow. Good job. Great stuff, man. Whoever asked about that. All 3 targets hit. Fantastic. This one makes me happy. Right? You gotta be happy about that, man. Seeing S&M do this. Great, man. Take a look at chat. Yep, bot coin. That's right, MK. What's up, Mr. Matt Damon? Jonathan wants inch coin looked at. Alright. Cool, man. Sure, kid. Look at Loom. All GNT dev team does is get drunk on German beer. Heck yeah, man. Oh, it's heading to 20 cents. Yeah, Neo's terrible, man. It was a good trade, evidently. That's it. How about Zencash? I don't even know what that is. I mean, I know it. ZEC, right? ZEC, not Z. ZCL is in Zcash Classic or something. I don't know. Yeah, ZEC. It's gotta be. It's probably just random, Hawkhead. Anthony wants XLM. It means Anthony likes being sad. Oh, Zen. Is it XEM? Right? Or is it literally ZEN? I thought Zencash was XEN. Anyone got confirmation on that? Anyone at all? Mm-mm. Oh, my God, man. This world, man. This crypto world. Zen. It is Zen. Okay. Alright, we'll go to Zen then. We'll get to it, man. But I don't know. With that S&M, when the trades are complete, man, it's kind of like, what more do you want, man? It's done. Huge, beautiful textbook falling wedge pattern. Broke out of it. Ran up to your 50% retracement, your 618, and your measure move. That's it. Wonderful. And hit that 786 like the Jesus, man. Okay, NIM is XCM. Gotcha. Nemesis. Gotcha. Oh, man. Hold on one sec. Cheers. Cheers. Okay, let's go to Ingecoin. My God, we've gone through way too many coins way too fast. Big Fish wants Zill. Yeah, Zill was doing great. Made quite a good move. Did it not? Okay. Botcoin is so stable. It's the future of money. Yeah, man. Totally. Yes, cheers. What's our target for Bitcoin? So we got like 8 minutes, and we're gonna be going to it. We can discuss it, Brian, on the charts and all that, man. We can get real deep into it, okay? But my goodness, I just don't want to leave S&M coin. I just don't want to get it off the chart because I just know everything else is just so depressing. Possibly one-man army, get everyone depressed, right? And then shoot it up. When our emotion levels in here, it's real sad. I mean, it's only like sad for me because I want Patreon to not, you know, I want them to have fun and make money on the trades because most are not shorting, you know, and it's impossible to do that when you can't short, when you have to buy most of the time only. What's up, Scaro? I remembered, man. Thanks for the kind words too, and the I read the Twitch message you sent us. It's not very bright in here. It's red lights. Not sweating a thing, Mon? Yeah, man. I mean, I'm good. I mean, you know, if you're diversified and not only crypto, you should be fine. But if you're only in crypto, well, it's a different story. Okay, Inge coin. Someone want an Inge coin. Man, that one fell from grace so freaking hard. Oh, what? Nah, it was good, man. It was okay. It was the real contender Jesus, man. Sweet, dude. So you're okay on Ingecoin for now anyway. Don't breathe too hard. Don't make any sudden movements. Ingecoin might tank. Okay, be careful, ladies and gentlemen. Probably tweeting their shenanigans. Wow. Crazy. Alright, so I don't know why is that there? Alright, so you bounced off your 200 MA once again. You double bottomed right here, as you can see. Okay, look. You got a double bot. It's mouse, man. You serious? Always something. Double bottom stuff, right? You even had the miniature double bottom right here. See it all the time. Ran up, broke down, still marching. Double bottom. Now you're making higher lows than your previous lows. Okay. But the fact remains, I mean, bear pull, bear flag, but in a bull market, in a bull run, uptrend, hard to say. It's kind of weird, right? Because you've got, right? You got that going on. That's not good. You're like double topping with lower levels of positive momentum. We know what that is. That's Class B bearish divergence, right? Double top, lower levels. Dang it, man. Come on. But look, like all the rest, it's just so difficult to gauge because like this coin was doing what so many other coins were doing, right? It was down testing the 200 MA like Neo. Neo was like, we're gonna double bottom in. Nope, just see ya, we're gone. And this coin's like, now we will double bottom, and we will make bullish divergence on both indicators, our RSI and our freaking MACD. We'll do that, and we'll actually respect the TA here. Okay, we'll do that here, but then on other coins, it just, nope, not at all. What does Ingecoin do? Engine coin, I don't know. I don't need to know, but the fact remains that somehow Neo doesn't respect the TA, but Ingecoin does. Ingecoin, man, what a great name. It must have been the name that kept them from falling below the 200 MA and staying within this upward sloping channel and also the trend. Okay, so good luck. Ingecoin still in the race. It's gonna replace Bitcoin. Did you not hear? Definitely capping. Hello? Anyone there? Okay, there you go. There's your engine coin. Congratulations, and stay strong. We'll be praying for you, engine coin, because you're one of our last hopes in this altcoin. I don't even know, man. I'm not even gonna try. I'm done. Alright, Loom coin. Was Loom coin gonna replace Bitcoin, I think, right? This was the one, isn't it? This was my favorite Beanie Baby, man. My favorite Beanie Baby right here, dude. Alright, still within this downward sloping channel stuff. Dude, is that a bull flag? Well, I don't know, man, because you made a lower high than your previous high, so I wouldn't say so. You could. Hey, you're technically kind of making bullish divergence now. Great. People are just probably sick and tired of me saying bullish divergence now. Probably just done with it. This guy says bullish divergence too much. I don't say it that often until we have the same stuff happening to all the coins at the same time. So, okay, made a low on price, and made a technical lower low, made lower levels of negative momentum. Great, congratulations. Not getting that on your RSI at all. You're making lower prices with lower levels of relative strength. Okay, you're below 50. You're right at 50, really. So. It was definitely the name. Yep. It was the name, man. Meow. Scaro says Kappa. That's right, man. Mini Kappas. Kappas for everyone, okay? A round of Kappas for Yi and Twitch and YouTube, okay, man? Cheers. We're gonna forget about all this blood in the streets. I don't know, man. I feel like we had a smashing success in the webinar today. A lot of good education. Had a lot of fun with that too. A lot of good questions, and I feel like we were able to answer almost all of them, if not all of them. So it was good. Best time to buy is when the blood runs. Well, yeah, that's true. But that's normally testament to like buying at critical levels of support. And a lot of these coins have fallen way below those critical levels of support. When we're talking worst, weakest areas in relative strength we've seen since back on St. Patrick's Day. My goodness, man. It was the bearish hurricane. Does anyone remember that? Was anyone in that stream? My God, how could you not drink on that one? Lord Dumpington says it's Friday here. Greetings from the future. The market is wrecked. Yeah, but at least it's Friday, man. It's still Thursday here for us peasants. Us, time peasants, okay? When would I turn bearish on Botcoin, excluding the George Soros pump for a week straight? Stalling out. What time is it? Oh, hey! MK, great idea, man. It is time for your local on the 8s. Okay, man, let's go to Bitcoin. 4-hour candles closing in 2 minutes, man. Right? Yeah. Okay, I think this is it, man. I think this is like legit. This is like in Helm's Deep when they're busting down the orcs are busting down the wall, man. They're busting down the door. This is it. We're almost there. Nowhere else really to go, man. 8,800. You got your 200 MA. It's set 8630. But man, you got nowhere else. I mean, this is the last. You can't draw any more channels. This is the last one, the last resort channel, right, Driz? I mean, at least you got bullish divergence. Who cares, man? Who cares? Yeah, you're right. No one cares anymore about bullish divergence. It seems like you're still holding this 89.11 area, which previous candle body closes multiple ones, right? It's good that you're holding that. It's good, man. So we'll see if this holds. 30 seconds left on this 4-hour candle, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Engine Minecraft are locked. I don't know. Are they locked? What does that mean, man? On the freaking 8s. Man, it was a rough St. Patty's Day, Derek. You had no signal. Well, neither did Bitcoin or any other coin. Send in the trolls. Was there a troll, man? Bullish divergence. Dude, we had so much bearish divergence too, but people don't remember that. You know why? Because no one cared either. Because they're like, I don't care, man. We're going to the moon. We're going to the freaking moon. Look, right here, bearish divergence, and it was like this all over the place, all over the market, and no one cared. Everyone's like, oh, it doesn't matter, man. We're gonna go to 10K, no problem, man. And then we broke down. I mean, of course we saw Tronics. What kind of question is that, dude? Of course we saw TRX. What? Flooded barn, washed out road, no power, still have TA. It's still real, MK. It's still very real. It's actually better. It's better when there's no volume. Still better. It just shows a lot of selling, the weakness. It's like one buyer could come in, MK, and completely obliterate this crap volume selling. That's what it means. It's good. It's always good when you have low volume with bearish divergence. Always good, because that means you're making, remember how bad it is when you're making higher highs with lower levels of volume? It's the same way on the other side. When you're making lower lows with lower levels of volume, it sucks. But here, you kind of had elevated levels of volume on these candles. You see this? Now, overall, it's nothing compared to a lot of the volume candles we've had, but still higher than your recent average. Savina, is this normal? Yeah, up, down, right? Up, down? Yeah, it's normal, for sure. Sorry, just doing stuff, man. Just doing stuff. Just talking, you know, I'm SMS texting George Soros and the Bogdanovs, and we're just talking. They told me we can't talk about crypto, we have to talk about real life stuff because they're tired of talking about crypto. That's what they said, man. I can't help what they said, man. Yeah, fourth coin analyzed. That's right. That's right. So hey, 4-hour candle's done, man. So we're just waiting for it to do something. It's doing nothing. Yay. It's done. It's made its move down. So now it's gonna lull around probably for a while, for many hours. Just probably move to the upside. 3 red candles like that. Yeah, that's 12 hours of just bearish beatdown right there. Not even to mention what you had before. Yeah, I would think the weekend's probably going to be better for the bulls, at least temporarily. Terrible, man. Just terrible. Sora's not wanting to talk crypto. Yeah, Brian, I guess we can do that. Whatever. Jeez, so much spamming. All the bots. Just kidding. Alright. There it was. We knew it, man. We talked about it in the day stream, did we not? That looked wonderful. We were above the 20 and the 50. We had broken out of this wedge with insane levels of bullish divergence. Okay? And then we were just building positive momentum. Oh, yeah. Shorts picking up. This is really good for the shorts. Look at that now. Wow. There you go, man. Does anyone remember this? Anyone at all? No, this looks great. This is really good for this chart. Terrible for everything else. Okay. Measure move 2570 or 25,770 should make it all the way up here. Okay, 20's about to have a crossover bullishly with a 50. You member, Scaro members. You watched the big red candle drop at about 1 p.m. on Bitcoin. Crypto traumatic stress disorder. Could just be post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. Yeah, man. Well, if you're over-leveraged or you have too much in something, that's normally what happens to you. I only get stressed out because we have Patreons, right, with trade setups. I'm not bothered by it because I'm quite diversified, and a lot of my stuff's in other things, not just crypto. But other people, that's not the same thing. So, you know, I get stressed when our team, you know, Patreons, if they're losing money. I hate that. I get stressed and anxiety about that. It sucks. So, hey, you're overbought like crazy. You're at 70, not crazy. You're at 73 on the RSI. You hadn't seen any kind of overboughtness since the craziest great short FOMO of all time for shorts on Bitcoin. They'd never seen levels like this ever. You were at 40,000 Viking night, 3,000 subs, 40,415. I literally woke up and we were down here at 24,000. Was insane. Everyone got liquidated. So now we're turning it back around, at least to make the measured move, most likely. Okay, testing critical level of resistance right here. There you go. That's it. Previous candle body close. Got to break that, then you got to break the next one, and then you're moving on up to a couple other ones, but then you got the measured move up here. So there you go, man. Post-trade stress disorder, PTSD. Perfect. Perfect. I'll keep my head. I worry about other people's wallets. That's what gives me anxiety. It's not mine. Believe me, it's not my wallet. It's just other people. What's up, Dan? How you doing, man? What's up? Can we take a look at Elf? Yeah, Wumsdy, we'll put it on the list, man. God, I've got to get a new chair, man. I just keep putting it off because if I'm gonna get a new chair, like, it's a disservice to not get like the top of the line chair, and I had no idea top of the line chairs were like that expensive. Like, had no idea, and I have to do it, and I'm like, I can't. It's so tough for me to want to do it, but I know I need to do it so bad because it's killing my back. I need to figure out a way where I can just like lean back in my chair and do this. Somehow I get everything pushed forward, or I can just do it like this. But I'm always leaning up like this. So it's quite ridiculous. But again, highest level of RSI you've seen since technically the 11th of April when you were at 40,000 or whatever. So there you go. Let's go to Ethereum. All right, man. All right. Looking good, man. Bullish engulfing candle. Back above the 20 and the 50. Power, man. Coach K. It's your baby, man. Heart line's right here. Gotta break the heart line. And you gotta hold above this. Remember previous candle body close area? Gotta hold above that 81725 area. Okay, let's do it, man. Let's do it. Pretty much a big fish. I was looking at what are they called? They're like the top of the line. They're like the BMW of chairs. It's like a person's name. Hold on, I gotcha. Herman Miller. They're Herman Miller chairs, recommended by my buddy who, you know, he's like we grew up together, and he like got his master's in CS and all that. And he recommended that, and they look insanely good, Herman Millers. But again, outrageous. Herman, there it is, Scara. Yep, they're real nice. Those are the ones I'm looking at, and that's why I'm reluctant to buy, because they're just so freaking expensive. Can you deduct the cost of the medical expense necessary? Interesting. Interesting, Stuart. Melissa has one. And? Best chairs, says Vela. Aaron, that's the one been eyeballing Jeff, but it's... My God, man. Hey, Crypto Colorado, I think we already looked at... No, we didn't look at ONT. We'll look at it. We put it on the list, Colorado. We use it in the hospital. Just roll one out for me, okay? Yeah, I don't feel like, you know, my buddy told me, he said, like, he showed me the price and I'm like, oh my God, that's insane. And he's like, look, you'll never need another chair ever again if you get this. And it was the same thing with the investment or whatever of the PC, the supercomputer. You know, it's just like, if you get these things, you won't need to buy anything again for a very, very long time. Yeah, MK, that short chart is danging, is it not, MK? My God. Get a prescription, a chair prescription. How much do those cost, Melissa? You just did it for your knees? I don't understand though, but like, cause my back, it's not like, you know, it hurts. It's not like I have issues. It just hurts. And it's probably from chronic misuse of what I've been doing for the past 3.5 months. You got it for next to nothing. Well, Frantic Rock, congratulations on all your success, man. Yeah, you can write off as a business expense. You still have to pay for it, though. They're still really expensive. ONT will pay dividends like NEO eventually. That's what I heard. ONG, I believe, was the ticker, Derek. ONG. On the Herman Miller site, it says 1 week left on store-wide 50%. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, but it's just... No doctor will write it for you. Game over. You have connections, though, Melissa. No Kappas. Well worth $800. I like Ethereum. I just want to stay here. I like watching it pump up a little bit. You just got to break that heart line. Come on. Break the heart line. Tyler, yeah, I mean, FOMO-y a little bit. Because remember, you're just having issues at the heart line. You're buying at the resistance, the critical resistance. But again, I don't know. It's just, see an orthopedics doctor. Jules Santana, Jesus, man. Hadn't seen you tonight, man. What's up, dude?
Julia Gulia tipped $10. Throw it in the jar for the new chair fund. We need our TA comfy stream.
Hey Julie, thanks so much for the $10. It really does mean a lot. And it's not that, you know, people haven't been generous enough for me to get one. It's just, you know, it's just, God, pulling the trigger on $800 on a chair is just like, you know. But it's like I use this chair so many hours, right? I'm in this chair working. Crypto Yeti said his back hurts from lifting bags of cash Kappas with a C. Ooh. Maddie loves a standing desk. Yeah, that'd be crazy. There's no freaking way in heck I would be getting one of those anytime soon based on the new mount I got and the LEDs I just installed around all the freaking cable management I did. I've done too much work around here to be thinking about, and I would like a new desk at some point, but that's way down the road. Like, not even thinking about it right now. They cost a lot of time, sweat, energy. That's how much they cost, Vela. Yeah, you're right. You're right, one man army. That's right, Stuart. show my room. This is, I mean, this is my office, my home office or whatever. There's not much to it. It's like, there's like, you know, there's a chair, a recliner, and then a couch, right? There's a couch and a recliner, and then Daniel Moore's. And then if you want to see my screens, right? 2 screens like that, and then 2 more like that. Right, so quad monitors like that. Okay, then I have a painting of the Eye of Sauron, if you can see it, with the red light. Scary stuff, man. Okay. And you can't see any of my stuff on my back wall because it's now been replaced by my monitors. It's all like back there. You can't. I mean, I guess I could try, right? Could try to do it. Right? You've got like the red light screws it all. My degree from Alabama and my Weather Channel autographs. Back when my uncle used to work at the Weather Channel, and then you know, first team All-State linebacker from high school stuff, and but just a bunch of other stuff on my wall. So whatever, it's just a bunch of stuff, man. Bunch of stuff. These and your back are your most important things. That's right. What's up, Russell Scott in the house, in his house? Lifeform chairs. Would they be better than the whatever they're called, the other ones we were talking about? Herman Miller. Is this time for Lambo? Yeah, Eric, it is time. Lambo all the way. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Tron Connect, Big Connect, Star Wars Worlds, Lambos, Moon. Let's go, man. In AL, yes. If you were referring to Stuart, you were saying NL. What? Where's the stripper pole? Have not bought that one yet, Crypto Yeti. Waiting for the budget to happen for that to occur, okay? But then I will get a stripper pole. Jules, will you PM me that stuff? Seriously, man? Because, I mean, I have very good healthcare. Very good healthcare. It's hilarious. Y'all know this? When I quit my job, it's like a, you know, a really nice media company, and they said, hey, as long as you just pay us every month, you can stay on as a consultant for us, and we'll put you as a financial consultant, and we'll keep you on the healthcare. I'm like, how is this happening? How is this happening? You donate to a stripper pole, Scaro. You miss BitConnect? Belarus, me too, man. That was an executive decision by the team. I had nothing to do with it. I didn't even know it happened. Okay. Antique barn find somewhere for 25K. Says Frenchy Rock. That's right. Gonna strip. Well, I have to get the pole first. Remember, it's just not in the budget yet. Play that Certain. What is Certain person's? Stupid Moon Lambo song. That sounds terrible. I might lose brain cells, and our team, everyone here might lose brain cells if we played that. Yeah, dude. Seriously, Jules, that'd be amazing, man. Thank you, dude. I don't know. I talked to them the other day, and I think they know I'm probably not coming back. It's oh god, it's political down here. It's like an election year. Keep me out of that. No, thank you. Brian doesn't want to strip on a pole. Dude, you serious? Why is it ooh, man? It's very ooh. It's gross, man. Stripper pole fund? Oh my god. When is a Kit from Knight Rider gonna roll up, Vela? Well, whenever your heart desires. Okay. Wait, why is my Discord going off on my phone? What are y'all doing? Am I getting hacked? Soros, is this you? Is this John Wayne Jesus Man? Do y'all remember John Wayne Jesus Man? You should clarify the stripper pole was not for me to use. I didn't know that. I thought it was. Would have been a good workout, right? What do I think the bottom is for Bitcoin? We can go back to it real quick for William. Thanks for being here, man. Welcome, welcome, welcome. William, man, we redid this. You know, we, after careful consideration and talking about it, we said, you know what, our last line of defense would be this type of channel right here. Maybe we could see a bottom at like 8,800, 8,830 or something. There you go, William. That's it, man. After that, we are screwed. Okay. You will add to the poll fund? Oh my god. That ain't enough, Jules, man. Don't even worry about it, dude. You are a war veteran here. Tip war veteran. Yeah. I'm sure the ladies and then no one else. BNB to BTC. Oh, loot patient. I haven't seen that in a long, long time. Okay, man. Let's go, man. And seriously, we have not looked. No one has requested this loot patient in so long, dude. Yeah, it's getting rocked, man. It's getting rocked, man. Hey, dude, look at that. Hey, man. Anyone? Haven't seen Emerson here, so he's the one that normally requested this. No one requested this coin. Here you go, man. Here you go. You broke out of a downward sloping channel. You broke to the upside. You broke down, but when you broke down, you failed to break above this 200 MA. When you fell, you held above this old level that was once a resistance, used it as support, and you've now hooked off of it. You're above the 20 and the 50, and you're trying again, once again, to break above this 200 MA. Ladies and gentlemen, bed and breakfast coin to the BTC. We only call it bed and breakfast coin when it's doing well. Well, this one is. Okay, man? Okay. You will start a tip poll war. Oh my goodness. That means I'll be getting drunk tonight. No doubts about it. What? You bet we could get a lot of new subscribers from what? What?
Damon tipped $800. Don't think about it.
What?
Buy the chair from me, brother. We need you
Hello?
and happy.
Hey, Jules, what were you saying, man? You're screwed, man. You are screwed. Mr. Matt Damon coming in with an $800 contribution. Mother of God, I can't believe it. I will be ordering that chair when the stream ends. Matt Damon. I can't believe it, man. I can't believe it. Mr. Matt Damon. Wow. And just like that, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Uncontested Top Jesus of Crypto and Chill, episode 77, man. Hello? Hello, anybody? I just want, hey, where's Jules at? Where's Jules at? All right, that's it, man. Herman, what is it called? Herman something? Herman James or something, man? I can't believe it. This one's for you, Mr. Matt Damon. This one's for you in the next couple. Okay, dude? Wow. Serious family, man. Family man. Not Family Guy, family man, dude. Unfreaking believable. Great community. It seriously is, man. It seriously is. I just can't. Never felt this connected. Just wow. TY Matt Damon. That's right. Wait, he said Matt Dang. TY Matt Dang. Herman Miller. There it is, Melissa. There it is. Thank you. What would the tips be if I did get a poll? Exactly. I couldn't imagine. They would probably plummet. I'd probably get money taken out of my account, right? Versus put in. Because no one wants to see that. But the thing I hate about this chair, which no point in even discussing anymore. Okay, so this thing, it like constantly, it peels, and there's this stuff, and it always, every time I sit down or move, it will peel off and hit the floor, and it like makes my floors really dirty. I have to bring my Roomba upstairs and like let it run. It's obnoxious. Not Henry Miller. Oh, Russell Scott. I'd prefer a Russell Scott chair. Do you know where I could find one? Kappa? Been here every day, every night. 2-3 months, yeah man. So we do it, dude. Well, Ed, man, I'm very happy that you're here, dude, and welcome to the team, okay? Times are tough with Bitcoin being crap, but you know, sometimes you just gotta let loose. We do this every day, every night. So sometimes the market's so crap, you just, you know, like I get anxiety, but everyone in here calms me down with kind words, and that's it. Aeron is on sale for $700. Should I get the Aeron though? Love you too, Mr. Damon, Mr. Matt Damon, dude. Can't believe you, man. Can't believe you, dude. You've taken the breath right out of me. What is that? That could be interesting. Actually, some strippers on a stripper pole behind you. That would not be wholesome. Okay? I'm happy when I hear people say they have their 7-year-old son in here. It just takes away from it. Now, me drinking isn't very wholesome either, but I still don't get gross most of the time when I drink. Back's gonna be in heaven, Ed? Man, I hope so, dude. I hope so. I need some relief. I'm sick and tired of this fake leather stuff just peeling off every time I sit down. Yeah, M. Damon runs the house. Bat, have you done it? Hey, Gritner? Nah, we'll put it on the list though. How about that, man? It's very difficult to get away from chat. Just too engaging, too much fun tonight. Having way too much fun with chat. It was tough because we did a ton of coins and it was depressing. And then chat just got lit and we just been having fun. You'll take a grenade again if need be. Well, you will go bleed out in silence for now. Nah, man. No grenades need to be taken, dude. Not at all, ever, brother. Dude, you are incredible, Jules. Lots of love over here, dude. Just remember that. Henry Miller wrote Tropic of Cancer, etc. You think the strippers would draw viewers? I don't think they would, man. I don't think they would. I don't know if I would trust a stripper in my house. Okay, with all this, but I don't leave my house very often, so I don't think there'd be a home invasion, because if there was, I'm in Alabama, they'd get wrecked. Poor Z kids. Scaro, kids don't want strippers. This market will drive us to drink. Hey, Sasquatch, man. Thanks for being here, brother. This one's for you, Sasquatch. This sip, but the overall beer is for Mr. Matt Damon. The rest of the beers are for Matt Damon. Mr. Damon. The Aeron 100% tested out a bunch of chairs. Some more expensive. It's incredible. Yeah, I was just wondering because I know like Herman Miller or whatever, they have like other chairs that are like more expensive than the Aeron. That's why I was asking Jeff. I didn't know if you'd seen or tested out the higher tier ones they have. Who isn't thinking about their butt right now? Is it sore? Should I buy a new chair? Russell, man, what are you driving? Anyhow. Thanks, dude. Thanks a lot, man. Bitcoin crashes make the strongest people I've come across. Dude, Christopher Campbell, man, seriously, right? We didn't start creating content Okay, so Bitcoin bottomed out at 5,900, right? We started content creation. Okay, February 5th, right, was the day that we hit our nadir levels, right? We started content creation the 9th of February. Literally, go back in our YouTube channel, our main one, and check it out. 4 days after the lowest levels, we started content creation. So, yeah, talking about great FOMO people that have like 40,000 subs. Good for them. Congratulations on all their success. When all the sentiment was there, everyone that had no idea what was going on, was subbing, whatever. We were born into this market, molded by it. Melissa says the ones at the hospital are higher models. You're getting the higher model tomorrow? Well, Melissa, please let us know. Let us know. Let me know in the one-on-one, because we got to do that this weekend. Try getting it on Sunday. We got to get it this weekend, all right? Strippers are people too, says Stuart. Yes, that's true. Nike Ellis. Hey, Nike, thank you so much. Really appreciate the kind words. Thanks for being here and being part of the team. Because we're a community and we're a team, okay? We are a team, and our pillars are transparency and integrity to drive into mass adoption of crypto, because we are in the infant stages of crypto, ladies and gentlemen. MK says, if Bitcoin wasn't tanking so bad, I would step it as well. Prefer to give me when the short trades are... dude, don't worry about it, man. You look, again, don't feel like, you know, you don't feel like that, man, at all. It's just things are what they are right now with the market, you know. It's not even a big deal, dude. Really do appreciate you, man. And you know, the friendship that we built, man, it's powerful, dude. So don't even think about that, dude. Corolla, no, I'm talking about your chair, dude. A squeaky chair. We didn't see a bull run until we were already men. Scarrow, exactly, dude, exactly. Bane it up, dude. Holy S, what happened? What happened, Jason? You okay, man? Your Knowles? Did it go higher? Did Knowles go higher? Is that what you were saying, Holy S? I need to go sit on a life form as well, because they are incredible. Really? Are they better than the Herman James or Herman whatevers? Mr. Matt Damon, the man, dude. But also, look, I mean, that doesn't take away from the contributions that have been made. Like, my God, we have so many to top Jesuses, man. Like, it's unbelievable. Like, y'all have completely changed my life, and I'm truly indebted, and I'll never stop showing up for y'all, okay? I'm always going to be doing TA for y'all, because just what y'all have done for me, I'm completely indebted to y'all. Y'all don't understand, okay? Sasquatch, man. Hate to hear it. You could have, most people that lost out in January that joined, man, they were watching us. They've made almost all their money back at this point. We got a lot of success stories about people who have at least gotten back to even, if not in the green. Sasquatch, so stick around, man. We teach a lot of good things, and currently, you know, things have just kind of been rough. Okay, you know, past week, 5 days, not a big deal. Someone's up like 131% in the past week, and they're down 11% today. And, you know, the thing is, like, if you're new here, I mean, look, I'm engaging with the chat because, does anyone want to look at depressing coins right now? Let's wait for Bitcoin to calm down a little bit. You know, that's just, we had 12 hours straight of just red candles. Everything just getting destroyed except a few. Jason, Knowles, man. Measure move hit, dude. King Logan. I think King Logan's out, man. Or Julia. Sorry, I was King Logan. I don't think he's on tonight. Sasquatch Bingo. You're from Sasquatch Bingo? What? That's really a place? No way. It's not a place, man. But I'm only 6 foot. You know, I'm not that tall. This too shall pass, says Brian. Methodical words. Alright, Velaroo. Hey, Velo, thanks for being here. Really appreciate you. Sorry if it got away from crypto a little bit. We've just been kind of amped. It's been an incredible night. And it just left field from Mr. Matt Damon. Just thanks, Julia. Appreciate the kind words. Means a lot. It does. All y'all are freaking amazing. And I'm very grateful for all your support, for all y'all being here. You know, it just beyond words. That's it. Was QSB doing anything exciting? Probably not. It was bebopping earlier. What does that mean? What does that mean? Tell me, dude. Tell me the what that nomenclature is. One Man Army. You shrink as you get older. Okay, I'm trying not to get older. Text earlier from King Logan. Gonna be MIA until the 15th. On vacation now. Won't have time to hit up HOC. Boom. There it is. 5 days without King Logan. Once alcohol is on, we are 18 and over here after 8 p.m. Oh, goodness. What about Knowles? Is Knowles 18 and over? I believe so at this point, right? Yeah, tell him we miss him. Tell him we miss him, man. I mean, that's, dude, if y'all don't know King Logan, 2 nights ago, well, 2 days ago, whatever. Hey, look, we got BNB to BTC right now, breaking above the 200 MA. Nice. King Logan contributed over $1,400 in a 24-hour period. Hey, what's going on with my Twitter? I'm getting more and more followers on Twitter. It kind of died off and then all of a sudden it started picking up. It was jumping around today. Ah, was it like that song from the 90s? Back it up, back it in, let me begin. I came to win, bet on me, that's a sin. Jump around, right? One Man Army. Twitch is so much better. Ooh, fighting words, Sasquatch. Fighting words. I think some people in here might disagree. You know, we started on Twitch when the Great March Madness fiasco happened, and yeah, man, people hated Twitch. A lot of people. It's worse for. So it's good for if you're in the U.S. It's fine, but if you're like overseas, we have a lot of overseas folks. Crypto's global. It's not very good at all. What's going on with Twitter? My goodness. Yeah, sure, Loot Patient, you want to measure move? Well, it depends, man. It seems like we might be bull flagging right now. Okay. Let's try it out, though. Let's see if we can do it. We got to find some sort of swing high right here. We got to make a lower high to determine. We don't know yet. We don't know what the measure move's going to be, man. I don't think we have a wedge. We don't have a wedge, man. Can't do it. It's like a channel within a channel. I guess so, Julia. I guess I just was blind and did not see. Twitch works great in Sweden? Dang, really? Well, I don't know. I don't know if it's certain countries or what. Scaro, but my God, man, when we were just on Twitch, dude, it was like we had to get back. We had to create it. It was so many complaints, and it wasn't even really complaints. It was just people saying, "Hey, I'm having issues. You can't adjust your definition, like your 1080, 720. You can't adjust. So if you're on 1080, and this was back before my supercomputer and stuff, like." People just were not able to watch, and it was like, no freaking way we're doing that. We'll just start over on YouTube, and we have, and here we are. We made it, and it was a major setback, right? But Who cares? It's all temporary. I think by mid-June to late June, we'll be back on our main YouTube page. Can you believe it? We're almost there, ladies and gentlemen. There's 20 days left in May. 20 days left in May. Can y'all... Does anyone in here think it's really May? Like we're 33% of the way through May? I can't. God, that's bright, dude. Jeez. Appreciate you, Ed. Seriously. Thanks for being here, man. Seriously, and I'm glad you found us. Because, you know, I think that's our big problem is I don't think people know about us. I don't think they even know we exist. That's the issue. It's almost empty, Julia. I'm about to get another beer. Can I get thumbs up if I should get another beer? Can we have strippers that don't strip? I just teach them TA. What if I could teach a bunch of strippers how to do TA and then they taught y'all how to TA? How would that look? Pretty good. Zorro, it's been wow. It turned around. It escalated quickly. Okay, where's my Ron Burgundy meme? Okay. Things just literally mooned. Yeah, we're something like that. We're some kind of partner or we're affiliates or something. We're not, I don't know what it is, man. It's dumb how it's like that. That's such a weird handicap to have. Yeah, the year's gone by, but my goodness. 2017, a year to forget. 2018, the year it all changed. In my life, anyway. You get terrible lag on YouTube no matter which channel? Game over, Sasquatch. Well, maybe, man. It's because you're playing bingo with Sasquatch. Did you ever think about that, man? MK says Bitcoin on the 4 hour. 20 MA crossed the 50. Is now touching the 128. Beer. 1 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. So technically 3 people said yes, so that means no to everyone else. Congratulations, B&B to Jesus, man. Here's the thing, man. It's hard to say. We need to find a swing high. We're not finding one yet. If we break down, we need to... Let's just say this was, in fact, the swing high. Okay, fine. If it was... $13.85 from the breakout, wherever the breakout was, remember? Say hypothetically right there. Not very large. Capo. Not very large at all. There it is. More beer. No depressing coin splits. Well, dude, we got that out of our system, did we not, dude? My God. We went through like 20 coins. Depressing. God. Sasquatch promoted Hyped on Crypto to your local blockchain social networking group meeting at the April and in their Slack. What does in their Slack mean? Oh, I mean, look, I asked if I should get another beer and literally got only 3 people that said beer. Yes. So Brian, Julia, Scaro, and one man. I had 4 people literally that said do it, and then everyone. So that's 4 people out of probably 0 people that are watching now. I think we're out of watchers now. Right, we're out of viewers. Okay, 100 people. 4 people out of 100. That's not enough. It's not enough to make me get another beer. So I get it though. I get it. Beer number 2, down. Julia, that doesn't count though. You're not allowed to. Desert Creature? Oh, there's Desert Creature, man. Coming out. He is a creature who lurks in the desert. Do not disturb the creature from the desert. Jules says beer. Okay. Dang, I'm on the phone. I could not hear. Lots of love or laugh out loud, one or the other. Am I feeling beerish? Very much so, Mr. Yeti of Crypto. Jacob Sandberg tunes in to say beer. 5%, get a beer. Go for 3. Alright, Jeff Grau, Jules, and the ladies say yes. I gotta do it now, man. I gotta do it. Can y'all believe Mr. Matt Damon? Seriously? Like, the Jesus Man? The Jesus Man can. It's like in Willy Wonka. Sorry. What the? Should have muted my mic. I'm sorry. Are most coins S-coins, Stuart? Pretty much, dude. Come on. I mean, you know that's true, right? You know they're all trading tools, right? That's all they're meant for. In decent markets, they don't... in decent markets, you know, if the TL be respected, you trade them. It's almost a pump and dump, but it's like a methodical pump and dump, right? You're on a trend until you're not, and you dump it. You make your money, you get out. Because screw those coins. Can we change the TA screen to chair browsing, Jeff? We lose all our viewers. And also, Jeff, I'd look like a White Walker. Okay. When we go white screen, man, I look bad, dude. No idea why. Gene Water was a Jesus man. The Jesus man, Ken. That is Gene Water. Yes, with Mr. Matt Damon. No, the Herman Miller is getting ordered tonight, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm thinking about maybe just adding a little bit more of, you know, cash to it, to that 800 to make it, see if we needed to, you know. Maybe we should just do this. Change the lighting a little bit. Seems, with Mr. Matt Damon, what he's done, man, I think it's like, let's get some, celebration, right? Effects. Should we do the galaxy, the ocean, fireworks, candlelight? No, we don't do candlelight. That's only on if it's gonna work. I don't know if it'll work. I don't know. iLumi is kind of meh sometimes. Water. Ed says he wants me to drink water. Okay, guys and gals. Ed says he wants me to drink water. Oh my goodness, Mr. Damon is getting, you know, this beer is all for him. It's all for him, dude. I'm trying to, oh, I like this. Crypto Yeti, no. I don't have a Series 7 or a Series 6.6. I've studied it, but what I'd have to do is I'd have to actually get hired. And believe me, I was about to take a job at Raymond James, and didn't. I just didn't do it. Didn't want to. Didn't want to go through with that crap. You can't. You cannot get your Series 6.6 or 7 unless you're endorsed by an institution. And yeah, freaking close. I had it set up. It was like pretty much what I was going to jump to, and then made other decisions with stuff like this. Because guess what? When you go to these institutions, you're not going as a TA. Sorry, you're going as a salesperson to push a product. And I did not want to do that. So, get to Jesus of all chairs, says Derek. Yeah, that's because Mr. Matt Damon, that's probably going to happen. Well, most definitely will happen. I was saying like probably because we'll get an $800 chair, but might just push it a little bit more with that. Sasquatch out of here. Hey, Sasquatch, got you covered, man. We'll have some beers tomorrow night for you, man. Have a good one. Snuff time. Ugh. An 80s dark room for photo development. Oh my god, dude. You remember that? Raymond Raymond James. Like Ray, like my last name, and then you put an M-O-N-D James. It's a large financial institution, crypto analyst. Owner of a crappy stadium. Is Bitcoin good? It's better than a lot of the S coins, James. It's better than a lot. Just because it happens to be the coin that all the S coins are completely tied to. You know, think about it. Look, James, it's like Lord of the Rings, man. There's the one coin, the one ring to rule them all. Whatever the one ring does, all the other coins do. Okay, that's it, man. That's it. Gotta look at it like that. Why does our Nightbot keep saying 25? We're like at 2,700 plus strong now. We've way more than 2,500 in our Discord. So outdated. Hello, Mission Control. Do you hear that? Anyone? I don't even think they're here anymore. I think they quit. You can't trade crypto even privately if you work for an institution, can you? What do you mean? If I work for an institution, I can privately, you know, still trade my own crypto if I wanted. Yes, I'd be free to do that. You're talking about if I was licensed? Yes, I could still do that. It'd be weird managing other people's money, but I've been told that getting a Series 6.6 and a Series 7 would make me able to manage someone's money with crypto blockchain. Doesn't matter what it is. So, yeah, one-man army. Are you asking me what class I played in vanilla? Really? Loot Patient? Did I tell you I played when I was drunk? Discord just hit 2,700 people. I knew it. It was about time. I knew it. The cheap bud owners. That's right, man. Crypto is like trading the Russian stock exchange. The ruble always F's things up. There you go, man. Pretty much. Oh my god. So I spent like 15 bucks on this LED light, and then it snapped in half, and then I got a new one today, came in, and I reinstalled it, and now like half of it, or a quarter of it, is failing miserably. I'm just... What do I even do, man? What do I even do? That's hilarious though, Jeff, man. Seriously. When you're talking about when you have like a currency that is tied to everything that is volatile and ineffectual and weak, yeah, it screws everything. Would I ever do that? That is a vague pronoun, Julia. I don't know what that is. Yeah, hey, Mission Control. I don't even know if they're here, honestly. I just requested that. We'll see what we can do, man. Mr. Scaro. They have Putin to lord over things. Yeah, it's true. They do have Putin that will make things right to show strength for their cause, and then, you know, here is like, it's all global. But you know what's great about crypto? It's brought everyone together from all around the world. Doesn't matter where you're from. We're all a team. You weren't supposed to buy personally. Interesting. Interesting. And so I take it that they weren't allowed to manage someone else's money and do cryptos, right? If they can't do it themselves, they probably couldn't recommend crypto to someone, like, you know, telling them what to do with financial advice on crypto, making trades. You're saying that, Crypto Yeti? Really? Another crypto community is spamming our server right now? What? What is it in? Seriously? I want to see this. I want to see. I'm interested. Popcorn, anyone? I don't see it, man. What are they, like, going to war or something? Can you, Brendan, can you send me a screenshot, dude? Thanks. Bitcoin's going up. Oh my god. We did it, man. We won the ball game. Okay, anyway, you know, we were on bed and breakfast coin for too long, man. Too long. Okay, so. Whoa, what? Let's go to Bitcoin. Yeah, it's going up, but meh. Right? Meh. Bitcoin to 2,500. Oh, okay. Right. That's Stuart, man. I don't speculate, dude. That's very unlikely. Very, very unlikely. Chat has serious lag. No, it's because, whoa, what? Can't be that bad, right? I mean, I have to use this because I even cut out Restream. Restream actually lags me slower than OBS, so I'm using OBS right now. The chat. Check the square. Oh, okay, my bad. Jeez, 36 messages. Oh god. Oh my god. Who's this? What a stupid sounding name of a community. Oh wow. They have like no members too. They're new. Oh, what a scrub community. They got like 100 members. That's a great way to ruin yourself, spamming. You know, we never spammed other communities ever. And when anyone from our community tried it, we found out, we told them to stop, and if they didn't, we had other issues that we had to address. Not really buying crypto right now, but there are others that have trading desks. They're all set up. They've been set up. They've been trading crypto. On sale? Jason, send me the link, man. Is it refurbed though? I'd prefer probably to get a new one. Y'all think I should get a new Herman Miller or a refurbed? Because 421 seems like it's probably going to be a refurb, right? Garcia, I don't know, man. I never thought it would be 2,500 seems way too low. I thought if worst case scenario, I mean, you know, you'd be seeing 5,000 or something, but we got 5,900. We got pretty close, but we didn't hit 2,500. Are you kidding me, man? Oh God, Jesus, dude. I do not, Melissa. I'm in Alabama. Come on. Remember? Not in Cali. We're inverse. We are inverse of each other, our states. Okay? Like you are... California is fire. Alabama is ice. Okay? You remember that guy who spam typed on crypto? Yeah, I don't really, it'd be unlikely to see that again. And if we did, Garcia, it would be in like 6 months because we've lulled out for so long and we double bottom and then we break from there. Yeah, I would preferably not get a refurb. Scara says Kappa. Kappa. Bitcoin is his head and shoulder. Yeah, people are saying maybe is it head and shoulders, man. I don't know. I don't think so. You need, see, that's the thing, MK. You have to have volume to change those bots. Those bots have a mentality set up by their makers, and unless you have a big buyer come in, and that's the problem. We got to this level, right, from this move up. A lot of new buyers, a lot of people came in, right? Now we're at this new stage, this new area, and there's no new money flowing into Bitcoin. And when there's no new money flowing into Bitcoin, it's only bots. Okay. You have to have some sort of new volume come in that wasn't in Bitcoin, and it's not here and it's not coming. It might come tomorrow or the next day or in a month or a year, but it's not here right now. And so the bots own this until there's some sort of catalyst or there's some reason why Bitcoin would go up. And when's the last time we had a real catalyst? Remember, all this was a short squeeze. This wasn't even news. MK, remember? This was like, oh my God, we're taking a whim thinking the shorts are going to get wrecked because of FOMO, and that's what happened. There was nothing to say this was going to happen. People were like, what happened, man? We don't even know. And it's like, okay, well, we knew. Hyped on Crypto, all of us, we knew as a community. And from that, when's the last time there's been a real catalyst for Bitcoin to move up in price? There hasn't been one, okay? So I'm telling you, it's either a catalyst or some sort of whale comes in to buy this, a human, okay? Human. If not, bots own this, and guess what? The bots have a market maker, and that market maker calls the shots, okay, on where it goes. Do I believe in blockchain? Absolutely. James, come on, man. It is the safe. It gives you the most security that exists. Decentralized. Are you kidding me? Absolutely, James. But again, I do believe it's very infant in its stage. 7100. Yeah. Yep. Down here. We talked about our sim triangle. Down here. Yep. You zoom out and you can see. Sorry, a lot of stuff. We were doing education earlier today, forgive me on this. We talked about a trend line. See this? 3 times we touched it, fell below it, we bounced up. We could come down to 79, 8,000 down here, and then we could break down again if we wanted to down here where the symmetrical triangle is. So there's multiple areas of support that we could hit. Okay, forgive all the noise. That's very, very zoomed out stuff. That's right, Julia. That's right. We set ourselves up. Invest in yourself during these times. I'm telling you. There will be another wave of the FOMO people that come in, and they will drive the prices up, and we will make our money, and we'll laugh and say, oh, they're going to get screwed. We take our profits, and then boom, the rug gets pulled. We're part of the rug that gets pulled. That's how they want to oppress it, right? You know, crypto, this seems like... you know, being a little cynical, right? I think they just want to make money, and they think that shorting is the best way to do it. And guess what? They were shorting down here, and it was insane. They got destroyed, liquidated. What's up, DJ Barrios? Is beer today? Oh yeah, dude, beers from Mr. Matt Damon to Jesus, man. James, yeah, man, I do believe in it because there's no technology that exists that's as good, you know, at cybersecurity as a decentralized platform like blockchain. So I think it's the future. I think it's here to stay. I don't think it's going anywhere at all. Now, at it being like a new currency that will replace fiat for governments, I don't think that's going to happen. But I do think it's an incredible way to protect assets virtually, James. Hope that helps. Quite possibly, Stuart. Wait, when what day happens? When we hit 20K again? That's right, Laura. Patience is key. Oh man, this is Star Wars Worlds. This is the Star Wars Worlds theme. Star Wars Worlds, we miss you, man. Where are you, dude? Come back to us, Star Wars Worlds. Make a new account and start spamming Tron Connect. I just need to hear the Tron Connect, man. I need more. Well, look, man. You know, BitConnect, economically uncorrelated asset. It's weird, you know. Sometimes the things that are most valuable have almost no value on the market, and the things that almost have no value in the real world have a lot of value on the market. I feel like Bitcoin's both. Where you say like water is a necessity of life, but it's almost, you know, costs like nothing. Paradox of value. But diamond, something that no one needs at all. It's very expensive. Paradox of value, they call that. Should we unban? I would like to unban Star Wars Worlds, man. I never had any say in Star Wars Worlds getting banned, man. Okay. What are you talking about with the Buffett and Gates, man? Were they crapping all over crypto today, weren't they? And there was like, hey, remember when Warren Buffett was talking about how he missed out on Google because he didn't understand the technology? Really? Could be MK. Seriously could, man. And that means bad stuff. Thank you, Jonathan. I feel a lot better now, Jonathan. You're getting me my fix, man. You're getting me my fix, man. Y'all the Jesuses, man. Stop being the Jesuses. Just drinking that beer, man. Woman. Everyone. Okay. So, this one wanted to look at, Elf coin. It was in that, it broke out of that falling wedge. Did it stand? It did, man. It did, man. And the falling wedge measure moves up here at 22,496. Let's go, man. On Elf. Let's go, man. TA was respected. You had bullish divergence on your, oh my god, on your MACD and your RSI like the Jesus, man. You did it. You broke. You finally came down and did that. Tested off and then said, see you bye. Above the 20, the 50, we're on our way. Whoever was asking about it, but you're having issues at that heart line. Ladies and gentlemen, you are. It's okay, man. Yeah, they want to oppress it because they have all that money, right? All that cash. Do I think Steam is a Jesus coin? No. Now, yeah, maybe fundamentals, but again, I mean, like, what's up with it? You tell me, James, what is up with it? Why is it like Mega? You know, why is it like, what are they? The mining addresses where if you lose your, you can't recover your password. Why is it like that? Tell me, James Monroe, what makes it? Think about, you know, Crypto Analyst had a thing about this, a video about this, where it was like, think about if you lost your Gmail or Google or Amazon account password, what would you do, man? James Monroe, tell me about that, man. What do you think about the whole you can't recover your password? Because I think that's nuts, man. I think that's terrible. I think that needs to change immediately. And if it does, that's a great thing. That's good for them. Long-term sustainability, right? Just T to Jesus, man. Adam to Jesus, man. Crypto Analyst, what would you like it if they did put a password recovery program? Would you like it then, man, maybe? User experience, exactly, James. And you know all about experience, man. That's everything. That's freaking everything. Like, how are you going to compete with YouTube, right? Steam it, you know, and Steam it's got DTube, right? It's the same thing, same people, right? Yeah, well, no, James, I agree, and it's like, people, you know, when I said this the other night, people were like, yeah, well, there's these coins that are doing that, they're working on it. But it's like, crypto will never be mass adopted until you all, instead of, oh my god, Bitcoin's at 5K, I put in 20 bucks and now it's at 20K, oh my god, I have $40. Until it's beyond that, until it starts becoming, wow, this blockchain technology is changing my life as an individual, blockchain will never be mass adopted, ever. Okay, that's the issue. And you can say, hey, Ripple, blah, blah, blah. Okay, but Ripple helps out a bank and institution. Great for them. Commercially, great. Not for the individual, and it will not be popular until that stuff happens, till we start seeing life-changing events in crypto and blockchain for the person, me and you. Okay? That's what I mean, okay, as they would say. Mr. Mackey would say. It's very possible, okay, seriously, about the measure move. Potential. See, potential, Derek. Potential means speculation in our world. It does, until it's not. This is my playlist, Derek. I didn't make the music, but I sure as heck made this playlist. It's called what is it called? It's called Stream Jesus. I named it that. Stream Jesus. If you PM me in Discord, multiple people have done that. So PM me in Discord, and I will send you the link to the playlist. But when you listen to it multiple times a day, every day for days and months, it starts getting a little tired, even though it's good, right? All right, Stuart, man. You need Jesus, man. What's up, Modified Mafia? Australia. Hope you're having a good one, man, over there. Is it starting to cool down finally? What happened in the market last night? Well, not looking at Elf Coin. We're just so happy to see Elf Coin being to Jesus, man. Okay, but wow, fantastic. Falling wedge, breaking out. You broke. Finally found your upside above these. Oh god, measure moves way up here, man. Be the Jesus, man. In terms of Bitcoin, Mr. Modified Mafia dude. Not good, man. We have one last resort channel, okay? We've exhausted our other channels, they didn't work, and after careful consideration we said we'll try this and see if this works. Okay, this is it, man. This is it. It's our last channel ever. And then we are screwed. What's up, Kent? Yep, and then they're gonna fail, Driz. They're gonna fail, and everyone's gonna lose all their money that invested in it. So, can we see 9,000? Can we see the Vegeta levels? 9,000 is now gonna be a psychological resistance. As you can see, we just whipped off of it. Yeah, hey Derek, it was pretty sweet, was it not, man? I think that. It's funny you talk about that one. I think that's where we one of our episodes got completely destroyed. Yeah, that's it. It was so epic, Derek, that we literally had our show deleted. That episode was gone. We could never get it back on stream. And I got chewed out by Mission Control, obviously, for obvious reasons, because we had March Madness fiasco. We can't mess around anymore, okay? There's positive news in the crypto world? Yeah, man, I guess. Hey, Wolves? No, we haven't done Zilli yet, man. We've just been talking the talk, walking the walk, blocking the smock. Kappa the Kappas. Here you go, here's your Zill. Congratulations on all your success. You broke out of the channel, you've run up, you retraced to the 382, and you made a lower high than your previous high. You're probably going to break down again. Probably hit the 50% of the 618. We'll see what happens, man. There you go. That's it, dude. That's it. That's it. Wolves, is that enough, man? Did we do it? Did we win the ball game? Lots of volume. Gross and obnoxious, I know. But there you go. Zill. Not much more to talk about. Correct, Driz. 90% minimum. Is that true, Scara? We're good now since you put in a FOMO short? Alright, good. We're safe now, ladies and gentlemen. Time to make financial decisions because Scaro shorted on FOMO. Which episode is gone? Can Mission... I don't know. Mission Control is not even there anymore. They quit. So, anyone? Hello? I don't know. We'll find out. Melissa, I'll get you an answer. You'll get Star Wars Worlds back? Find him, man. Find him. You must go to the end of the galaxy to find Star Wars Worlds. Look, he always listened to me. When he was going crazy, like, hey, Star Wars World, calm down, man. Calm down. He would stop. He would stop. He was a manageable, fun guy, okay? And evidently he said he worked for EA, which was cool. Yet 3.5 months since the channel started, dude. It's been a long journey, but my God, how we've grown is immense. Feels like just a few weeks ago, man. Yeah, seriously, dude. Mission Control, man. Yeah, they took a vacation, man. This year, I've got like 50 messages. Like my messages. It's gonna be 30 minutes to get through all of that when I get done with this stream. My God. What happened to Mission Control? Hey, it's May, right? It's warmer out, right? So it's vacation time, I suppose. No vacations, man. People were like, hey, look, if you want to take a vacation, just let us know early. And I'm like, vacation? What am I gonna do? Where am I gonna go? Give me a break. Crypto is 24/7. Okay, 365. Where am I going? I love my house too much. It's so weird. I love this house. I love being here. Like, oh, I gotta go get groceries. Crap. I canceled my shipped too. I shouldn't do that. I should have just kept it. Modified Mafia, you watching from like episode 8. Oh my God, man. What is the difference now, man? The Mission Control is the lightweight. They're lightweights. Come to Queensland, won't leave, stream from the beach. Yeah, stream from the beach, and the blue-ringed octopus are gonna jump out of the ocean and get me, man. And the stonefish, and the brown snakes, and the funnel web spiders, and the iracondu, man. Come on. Five days a week versus 7 days a week, right? But I don't know. I more so did stocks. I mean, it's still kind of my thing, right? So Forex was never my thing, James. Wolves is in Queensland. How far away is Queensland from Brisbane? From Queensland, right? Wait, y'all are both in Queensland? Dude, y'all should have a party, man. Why so scared? Are you kidding me, man? It's not even the media. It's just I know what's there, and I'd preferably go to New Zealand and say, "Hey, I can see y'all from across the ocean." Oh, dude, come on! Gangs and guns in the U.S. That's very isolated to urban, poor areas. Okay, like preferably, it's not preferable. It's more like Chicago. Okay, like that's where. Like wild animals, they're everywhere. They could be in your shoe. It's not like gangs that are isolated to urban areas. Julia's in Brisbane. Jonathan, we do. We get offers to shield coins all the time, man. ICOs, man. They're offering to pay us like thousands of dollars too. It's crazy, man. It's like, hey, do we want to sell out this time? Nope, 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 never. And it's more of a joke, you know. Like people will get an email, and you know, it'll get posted in our chat, and it's like, really, man? It's like you can't make me do that because the only way anything's getting shilled is if I'm on stream shilling it, and you know how we will praise a coin if it's doing well in the charts, and we will destroy it if it's doing bad. Like Ripple, oh my God, man. I think Stuart hates me. Knowles is going again? Oh my God, let's go to Knowles. Zillica, wham bam, thank you ma'am. Okay, that's it. Let's do it, man. Let's go, Nose. Let's go, Jason. Are you still in this, man? Be careful. It's all good, Modified Mafia, man. No worries, dude. Let's get some Bitcoin to pick up. All the offers? What do you mean? Oh, yeah? Star Wars Worlds is offering to Pumpy Dumpy? Exactly, Jonathan. With really strict gun laws to boot. Seriously, dude. Yeah, all guns are banned here. Okay. God, man. What do I call Foster's? Like... dead inventory? I don't know. Hold on. I don't have my other chat up. Trying to did I read your Modified Mafia? Yeah, I read your message where you're talking about you would be Patreon if that. I don't see anything else. Yeah, we're just waiting for buyers. It will never come. The sentiment, the public sentiment, man. That's where the big pump comes from, man. Those institutions get the fire started, and then the retailers come in with big money too. And just think about it. We got 300 billion to go until we're matching the same market cap, and it's probably the case is. Think about it. If we're almost at 500 billion, and we're half of what we were, you know, when we were at all-time highs. That means there's so much more money in altcoins now. That's pretty cool to know, right? Oh, gotta show y'all something. Got to. Hold on. It's a gift. It's not a big deal. Okay. Here it is. This is what the chart looks like. I know, forgive my face. Look, you see this? This is Bitcoin. This is growing 3.9 2017. Look at it. This is Bitcoin. All the whole market cap. Remember that? I remember. XRP, remember y'all? It's gonna do it again too. We're in July of 2017. September. October, my birthday. Bitcoin Cash, oh my god. Here it is. There it is, Ripple again. There you go. This is the sphere of crypto, ladies and gentlemen. See, everything's taken. Bitcoin is there, still the largest, but everything else, all this money is coming back in. Look, it started at 88%. The beginning of January, or beginning of 2017. Anyway, thought that was cool. Thought y'all might get a kick out of that. That's right, Julia. Boom, Driz. Boom. It's very cool. Ripple. Oh, Kent coming in, saying Ripple's gonna take number 2 over Ethereum. Oh my goodness, man. Late bloomer, you walked in on gross stuff, man. Really? I could see that, Jeff. A lot of people will buy guns legally, but off the books anyway, right? So it's like, if you buy a gun 6 different times from, or 6 different transactions happen with 6 different owners, all of a sudden it's like you have no idea who owns the gun, right? So it's like a legal way of not, you know, being tagged by the government, I guess. Never go buy a gun without someone with you, though. Always, yeah. Boom, Melissa, that's what I'm talking about. Uh-oh. Yeah, one time, I think it got by, yeah, I remember, it was very short-lived. It was like a week. It was like a freaking week that Ripple got beyond Ethereum in that power, and then it fell back. Jeff, tell me more about the straw buyers, man. Bring a gun to buy a gun. Dude, when I buy mine, I absolutely have someone with me with a gun, and I also have a gun in cash for the buy. And one good thing about where I live, lots of guns. Lots of very nice guns, too. What's up, Crypto Tiger, man? My day is over. My night has just begun. Kappa. Oh, wow. Ugh. Dang, man. That sounds really sketchy, Jeff. Hey, notice, Jason, how we just were wicking off that area now? The measure move like the Jesus man. Man, you broke down and look what you're doing. You're testing off that old area that was once resistance, or then became support, then became resistance once again, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, that's it, man. Fell below that key level. Oh, well below it. Gross. Just gross, man. I'm very proud of one gun I have. It's called an ACR. I freaking love it. One of the best freaking guns ever made. For its class, anyway. One day I'll show it on stream, but yes. You can open carry here if you want, but it's taboo. People just don't do it. Most people just conceal carry. So you can do it if you want, though. You're gonna get a lot of weird looks, though. Try to rob a local fun store, and they got lit up. I probably saw that on Reddit, didn't I? Ooh, it's Trevor something. MK. Man, led the song, man. What will Europe do to Bitcoin in 30 minutes, man? That's why I want to keep my eye on Bitcoin. Hard to say, man. There's no volume, it's bots, it's not Europe. No, I agree. Well, look, it's pretty much deterrence, right, James? It's the absolute opposite. It's not about surprise. It's about, hey, I've got a gun. Don't mess with me. I will destroy you. And then people are like, okay, I'm not. People always love taking soft targets, right? So they wouldn't even attempt to mess with you. That's what would happen. So, yeah, the gun buyback program. It all started with that, Julia. It all started with your gun buyback program. Yeah, I'll send you a pic of my ACR, man. It's quite incredible. I freaking love it. That's right. It's an adaptive combat rifle, not an assault rifle. Assault rifle. Oh my god, man. It's gonna get you, dude, because it's a black color. Can't get an ACR in Cali? You gotta take off the stock, don't you? They used in the World Wars? Dang, man. Only after a box of bullets, man? What caliber? Wait, did someone use that gun in something bad, Jeff? Oh no, you're still talking about the the thugs, the inverse Jesuses, man. Well, good, man. Oh, so you're definitely not at UNC Chapel. You're at Liberty, right? At UNC Chapel Hill, they would prefer you don't ever have a gun ever and advocate against gun rights. But we're not getting political. We're not. We're just talking about. We've been talking about guns. Oh my God. That you would admit to. That's my man, Desert Creature. He's got his guns buried in the desert all over. He's got his GPS to let him know. He's like Walter White with his money. James Blank, man. Hoover Tactical, right down the road. Well, you know, it's down the road for sure. It's like 7-8 miles, but indoor range, man. Anytime, dude. Blank, man. No pistol grip. What happened to the music, man? Oh, they'd get you, man. They'd get you, Brendan. You'd be screwed, man. Oh my God, it's an assault rifle. Every rifle that exists is an assault rifle. Yeah, and it actually, I don't know if that was Mississippi or not. There is a city where, yeah, you have to have a gun in every house or whatever, and it's one of the it's like in a county, and it's like one of the safest counties with the least amount of thefts like in the country. So. Hey, Nightbot, can you hear that? Please stop. Oh, why am I even asking? Mission Control is on vacation anyway, so it doesn't even matter. Just can't buy them? What is that joke, man? What do you think they're gonna accomplish? You can own it, but you can't buy it. Wow, Julia. Well, that's a lot of freedom right there, isn't it? Yeah, Jerusalem. Where's Eli when we need him? One of our amazing teammates in here, Hypton Crypto team. We have multiple people from Israel that are part of the Hypton Crypto community. You wouldn't, Brandon. Because again, like we talked about earlier, it's all about soft targets. Concealed carry, open carry in Texas. Think about it. When you have open carry, people see you with a gun and they say, I will not mess with that. I'd much rather go to the next person without a gun at their hip. Right? I don't think so, Crypto Yeti. Bump stock? What do you mean? Yeah, anytime Modified Mafia, dude, you're back in the channel, right? You couldn't break it, you false broke out, and you just made a consecutive lower high. You're now making a lower high again. Pretty close to that 200 MA now. A little froggy, okay? You had that bullish divergence and you made your move from that. But you couldn't sustain your levels. You tested that 3 and 2 and you just failed. You failed, man. You couldn't do it, man. Julia, we got that too in Georgia. It's the way Georgia, the state of Georgia started. Neighbors to the east. What happened? This used to be a crypto show. Weird, Jonathan. I didn't know that. Very weird. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I have to break the seal, as they would say. There's only 80 people left, so I'm sure I'm gonna lose like 50 more when I go to the bathroom. I'm gonna just go break the seal Take like 2 seconds and I shower turn. So BRB. Hello traders. What's happening? Scrolling up, catching up on chat. Don't mess with Jeff, he will wreck you. He will wreck your face. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Crypto Tiger, still got a drink, man. Still drinking. It's now Friday. It's now Friday in the States. It's already been Friday for you folks over there. In Australia, right? Cold and wet in Melbourne, whatever. What? It's cold. Ah, it's finally cooling down in Australia. I remember about a month and a half ago, everyone's talking about they can cook eggs on their rocks. What's the climate like in Australia? Is it like there's certain areas in Australia where it's really hot and really cold at the same time? Bureau Clock, Driz T, Adam. Got a lot of Strayas. Love the Strayas, man. Freaking love them, man. Someone's asking, I'm curious about ONT as well. Interesting. Hey, look, we talked about intermediate short-term trends. We had a short-term trend. We broke the short-term trend, right? Now we're going back out to our long-term trend, right? Interesting. Getting very close to that level. Interesting. Class B bullish divergence on ONT, approaching that critical level of support. Interesting. Crazy, man. Crazy stuff. 88 today. You're in Colorado, though, aren't you? Crypto Colorado? I would think so, right, man? Bitcoin sellers plus 50 coin to under 10 on the buy side. Relentless. This freaking bots, man. George Soros. And now you're back up to, hey, you're about to hit Vegeta levels. You're about to hit 9,000. Will you rise? No kappas. Welcome. Welcome. No, Crypto Tiger, you know I mean Fahrenheit. I don't know how to read Celsius. I'm a dumb American, okay, man? Still no kappas. So Modified Mafia lives on the coast, always gets to sea breeze, dat sea breeze. Yeah, but I'm just talking about like temperature and stuff, right? Brisbane's similar to Australia. Maybe more humid, interesting. With more scary things that could kill you. That too. You didn't mention that, Drizzt, okay, man? It's a bit humid in Brisbane, Brizzy. I can't. Don't do the Celsius to me. Don't you do it, you strayas. You have to accommodate my dumbness, okay? Climate I imagine quite down under. What? I guess the single digits freezing in Australia? Not waiting to see as well, Derek. Waiting to see. It's gonna be tough for me to stay on for 2 more hours. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. It's I've been going 2 hours and 38 minutes or something. 2 hours and 42 minutes. Oh my god. Huh. Well, what'd you say, Drizzt? So the Head and Shoulders, was this the neckline, man? And you broke the neckline? Slanted neckline? Interesting it could be, but I'll tell you this, man. That's the thing about trends, which we talked about for so long today in our webinar. Okay? You have short-term trends and you have long-term trends. Your longer-term trend happens to be a support right here. You already hit it, right? You can tell with all these touch points up here, okay? You got one touch point here. If you hold this, you're fine. If you don't, you're screwed. Yes. So it could be the beginning of a Head and Shoulders. Normally Head and Shoulders break down really, really bad or really fast. So it's not your conventional Head and Shoulders, okay? Goodness. God, my freaking back, man. I'm trying to like lean back. Oh my god. This is the first time I've ever done this. Can y'all hear me clearly? Oh my gosh. Let's look at this chair, man. It'll be all good. It'll be all good. I feel like a villain now. Am I a villain? Bullish Divergence meme. Best meme? Scara? Is it scary, man? Hey, new sub on our YouTube page. 32 subs, man. Oh, did I show y'all this? I have this awesome smart clock. Look at this. It's pretty sweet, man. Pretty freaking sweet, man. Did I see what happened with XPM? No, what happened, dude? Did it explode? Jeff's loaded like the Terminator, man. You tied in long snapping Jesus, man. 68 to 86. Ah, that's good, man. That's good temp. Well, modified. Some people have those issues. Most don't. The issues with that. Wait, do we hit 9,000? that we did 9,000. Vegeta, man, we're doing it. Super Saiyan, man. Super Saiyan, man. Just kidding, because he really wasn't a Super Saiyan when he hit 9,000, was he? Nope. I don't even know what 12 Celsius is. The south is dry and hot. The north is wet and hot. Sounds terrible, baseline. Where's the cold? Dang it, Mr. Matt Damon. Dude, hey man. Thank you so freaking much, man. I will be ordering it when the stream ends, dude. Because of you, man. Matt Damon, dude. Mr. Damon. I can't believe it, dude. I can't believe it. I'm so grateful for you, man. And I'm going to keep coming back and doing all I can to give you the best TA I possibly can. But, dude, it means everything. It truly does. And I won't have to be sitting back in my chair right now. Like, my back literally is killing me right now. So thank you, dude, so much. It's 81 degrees in Brisbane at 3:42 p.m. Last month of autumn. Whew, that's hot, man. That's hot. Let's do it, man. Let's hit the levels of value and then bounce. With the bullish divergence to be to Jesus, man. Well, you could probably destroy that person you run into, Jeff. Somewhat, Julia. I'm trying to catch up on chat. Get a standing chair, says Desert Creature Man. But what about all the creatures, man? The creatures might get me, dude. Shave my head. Oh, with my chair. Yes, yes. Wonderful. Wonderful. Derek. Only 85 in Miami, but it rains till noon. Oh, God, Jonathan. Reminds me of football days, dude. Screw that. That weather, man. It's terrible. The smart clock does all kinds of things. I can make it, Dang it, man. Hold on. Temp 70 degrees, ladies and gentlemen. 70 degrees. That's the sun. You can't really tell. 0 miles an hour, right? 70% humidity, I think. Radio, time, Twitter followers. Yeah, man. 922. We did it, dude. Did it, man. And really, you can set it up. There's a bunch of different apps you can use, but I don't use them. And also, I've got this. I don't know if y'all can read that. Present plans are going to succeed. I just had that there. I don't know. It's stupid. Stupid stuff, man. Stupid. Nigga Crypto Tiger, that was for your question, man. Did we get wrecked, MK? Because we're back below 9,000. Inverse Vegeta levels. It could probably, Jonathan. There's probably an app for it. Did Vasha leave? Yeah, those bots, they control it until real people come in. The bots will do what they want. Hey, Crypto Scordo, man. What's up, dude? Thanks for being here. Have you just tuned in? Ethereum with US dollars, go, man. Just for you, dude. Hope you're doing well, man. Seriously. Yeah, dude. I hate that, don't you? It's normally a triangle. It's just more of a fantastic channel we've been in, right? Hate that, dude. Was said we thought the 50% retrace would be great here, right? You know, you swing high to swing low. We're not there yet, but I feel like this is not a bad area to take profit on this Ethereum to US dollar trade. It's that wedge, man. I don't even think we did the measure move on it. It's probably going to be between the 50 and the 618. Let's do it real quick. Come on. 677 measure move. My God. A little higher, actually. Okay. $11.24. It's like that on the other chart. Okay, this is very. $11.16 was our other one. Okay, it's fine. There you go. It's your measure move. $11.24 on that wedge, man. Crypto Scordo. So I mean, like, I hate that we fell out, but it doesn't mean the trend's done. Okay, don't be discouraged completely. Okay, we got to break a lot of previous highs before we consistently say we're done with this bullish trend. Okay, man. So don't. You're right there, too. If Bitcoin goes up any, this thing's going with it. Okay? So. Hope that helps, brother. Thanks for being here, man. Good seeing you again. My back is killing me. Quick, shoot it before it gets you. It's got me, dude. It got me, Scarro. It's already over, man. I'm screwed. No cap is about it, dude. Mr. Damon is a legend, dude. Crypto Ken, I could have never guessed it was you, man. SC coin, South Carolina coin. Yeah, we can look at South Carolina coin, man. Oh my God, destroyed, man. Just destroyed. You're testing all that 200 MA. And the heartline there. Gross. Gross stuff. Gross coin, man. Gross. Right, Crypto Tiger? Quite smart, man. Believe me, I got Twitter for this. I got it for this, man. Viking Night for 1,000 Twitter followers. That was never a thing. It was, we really weren't going to be doing another Viking Night till 4,000 subs on our main YouTube page, and I don't see that happening anytime soon. So, unfortunately, gotta keep it special. Okay, if you start doing it every week or every 2 weeks, all of a sudden it starts, people are like, whatever, it's just Viking Night, whatever. When we start doing it, well, it's only once a month or more. Dang. And at 5,000 subs, I will be a Viking or a wizard. I will order an expensive wizard costume and be like Gandalf or something. But that's not happening anytime soon. We got what, like 1,500 more subs, 1,400 more subs we have to get before we get 5,000, dude. Which be a long time, especially with this market. Are you kidding me? Thanks, Crypto Tiger. Thank you, Laura. Cheers, Julia. Ben Solomon says Coinbase is now taking 8 days to deposit fiat. Oh my God, dude, it's terrible. Do you remember the day I every dime I put into Coinbase was via credit card, and it was instant and it was awesome. And I've not had to insert any new money. I inserted money like a few times into my crypto and never had to do it ever again. And so when people ask me questions about like, hey, what are my steps of depositing? I'm like, I don't even remember. Like, I haven't put money into crypto in so long. Like, haven't needed to. Like, so yeah, it's a challenge. And I don't know, things have changed now. Getting new accounts set up with, I never had to have my facial identification. I didn't have to do anything like that. I'm sure it could be though, Ben. It's stupid, man. But didn't they also like, increase their infrastructure and make it a lot better, so where like double the amount of people could be a part of Coinbase now? Is that true, Ben? Will you rise, Jonathan? Most coins are gross jewels. They are gross, man. Get them out of here. Throw them out the window, dude. Looks like a slanted bar pattern. pretty much Bart Simpson, man. Hey, it's bouncing off that 200. We'll see if it holds. Probably not. Disgusting. You know why? My God. I mean, look, you had bullish divergence. It played out, and that's all you got. So now you're like, oh my God. You're not even getting bullish divergence anymore midterm. Now you could say from this low to this low, you are getting it, right? Pretty sure. Oh wow, look at this on South Carolina coin. Lowest level of RSI you've seen since back on the 18th of March. All these other coins are doing the same freaking thing. 18th of March. I remember we were getting drunk that day. My God, we had a bearish hurricane party. We were getting trashed. Daystream too, I think. Small segment. We try to find the most devastated coin of the day. I guess we could do that. I don't think there'd be anything wrong with it. Which coin got the most devastated? Yeah, Viking Nights are fun, but they're special, right? And if you start doing them too much, then all of a sudden they start becoming not as special, right? Viking Night to celebrate the chair, man. When I get that new chair, could do something. But gosh, you know, Viking Nights. I would prefer Wizard Night. I'm ready for it. No, you are, man. You are Modified Mafia. Give it who they want, Mission Control. I don't know why you're trying to talk to Mission Control. They ain't here. Use the Cash App and it raises within 15 minutes. What do you mean, Jules? Oh, okay, you're talking about the Coinbase stuff. Okay, they can handle double the volume on Coinbase now. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, they are. They're rubbish, and as an American, like, the government wants to make sure they're the only ones that you can use without a VPN. What time is it? It's 3:40. It's like 4 p.m. over there in Brisbane. My God. Sun's out. Is it not? The sun is out. It's still there, right? Because it's like pitch black here at 1 a.m. Central Time for me. Ginton, most devastated, James. Scar every night's the Viking night in Sweden. Can I get a bear costume? See, one of our team members recommended I do that too. They said you should just be a bear one night on bad nights. And it's like, I could do that. It's like, I like being goofy, but my goodness, you know how many bad nights we have, MK? How many bear nights? I am, Jeff. We have to schedule a time. I think one of our mission control folks, they were in his live stream chat tonight, and Matt even offered to get me live 20 minutes before our stream, and I didn't know about it until I was like 5 minutes till stream. He told me, I'm like, how can I do that? I'm going live. And so, well, can we schedule? So yeah, I'm definitely going live. No, he is. He seems like a really good guy. Definitely. What's up, Stuart, man? How was the walk, man? Was it good? Did you find any alligators? Be a bullfighter? Oh God. No, we go Viking or Wizard, and what would happen is every 2,500 subs I'd be a Wizard, and every 500 I'd be a Viking, always from then on. But there's just, we're not hitting 5,000. It'll be 6 months before we hit 5,000 subs. So whatever. Can in hand smoking the other Crypto Tiger. Yeah, this thing just got wrecked. SC Coin. Be careful. You in your channel, you're at the heart line in the 200 MA. Be very careful. Some sort of slight bullish divergence in the midterm. Best areas of value are at the bottom, right? Bottom of the channel is that trend. So, no gators. Ro though, so he may be the devil. What does that mean? Ro. R-O. Be a Pokemon? Do that, man. Vikings more alpha. I don't know, Wizard's pretty alpha too, man. Julia. Matt loves XRP. I love the charts. I love what is good and I hate what is bad. What's up, Mr. Davies? Hope you're having a good morning. Where are you at, man? Where are you at, Davies? Yeah, right, Scar. Believe it when I see it, man. People say that all the time. It's like, look, you know, people say, oh yeah, you'll be at 10K in 2 months, a month and a half ago. It's like, yeah, right. Jeez, Jules, that's crazy, man. Oh, okay, Jeff, I got you. Oh, I'll be okay. I'll be gentle on it, you know. I can say, well, the chart's not doing that great, but global banking solution, yes. Shirtless Viking is Moon Alpha. Oh, local on the 8s, is it? It is your local on the 8s. No cap is about it. Let's go to Bitcoin. Oh my god. 3 hours now. 3 hours now. Somehow, some way. It was it truly was Mr. Matt Damon with his $800 contribution that kept me going. Everything died after that. No one even wanted to challenge him. Jules, it was hilarious. You were starting to talk about some sort of tipping war for the stripper pole, and all of a sudden, bam. It was like, what? Oh boy. You got 2 hours left. And that's the problem, Scarrow. If it's 1/10 the quality, that means that quality isn't the issue. It's something else. It's the content. It's something about it. Oh yeah, Mr. Davis, look, man. Okay, Mr. Davis, man. So what we had to do, we said, okay, this is our last resort channel. Okay, we had to say that we used our first swing low of this entire run up. Okay, man. With 3 touch points down here. Okay. We said the very bottom could be 88.23. We didn't even hit it. We got to Vegeta levels, and we're below Vegeta levels by $7. That's it, man. Who screwed who? Stuart? Okay. Oh, Todd Butterworth? Ugh. Todd Butterworth. Why is that name so... Butterworth? I don't know who Nick Headfield is either. Why did they... How could they screw him? Thanks, Jalen. What's up, Jose? Mostly out of everything. Still long on BNB and Bitcoin, but I'm also cash too, and also Tether. I have many forms. Okay, I have a very complex portfolio. It is not simple. I am not simple token man. Okay. I have many weapons in my arsenal if I need. I'm just confused. I don't know who these people are. I'm turning it down. I think it's a little loud. You literally stepped in a landmine once you finished. What does that mean, Jules? What happened, man? Are you okay? Do you need help? Medical help? We have Melissa here, I think. I think she's already off for the evening, retired for the evening. Huh. No wonder we got so many big views for some reason at the beginning, and it died off. It went to nothing, Burger. We went to nothing. God. We had an average of like 58 a day, and then all of a sudden it went down to like 25 a day, and now I think it might be worse. Well, welcome. Scar, let me be your Dungeons and Dragons, man. We all grow up, man. Coin reviews. What happened with Crypto Colorado? They want coin reviews. Butters from South Park, pretty much Crypto Tiger, man. Everyone knows it's Butters, so that's me. What's up, Every Day's a Miracle? Welcome, welcome. If you're just now tuning in, we just started the stream like 5 minutes ago, Every Day's a Miracle. Did you know that? Just started. Kappa. Like Mega Kappa. Like Spirit Bomb Kappa. Yeah, now we're good, man. Thanks for waking up. God, don't sleep, man. When Mr. Davies sleeps, man, we're screwed. Bitcoin tanks. You said tip Warren Boom 800, dude. Yep, and then it died. There was no more. No one ever. Not 1 cent has been contributed since then. Not 1 cent, Jules. It's over, man. It's over. We'll never get a tip again. Not one tip will ever come in ever again.
Crypto Kinto tipped $5. It's not much, but here you go.
Hey, Crypto Kent, man. Thanks so much for that $5 contribution. You did Jesus, man. Thanks, dude. Spoke a little soon, but still. After that right there, never again, man. It's done. We'll never get it. Okay? He was afraid he was going to jack them up. You want to see the Bitcoin Daily? It's not good, is it? Well, remember, if you look left, remember, we talked about the 89.17 area. Candle body closed looking left, so. Heck yeah, chillin'. Well, I'm proud and happy that you're here giving me your support. Doctor's order or for the nurse to go to bed around 11 p.m. You get to be at the hospital in the morning, and it is for you. It's 11. Are you going to abide by those rules, Melissa? You'll pretty much get 2 subs a day. Everything's a miracle. Have a good one, Melissa. Todd is 59 years old. Oh my god. And he's on the internet. What did I say? What happened? Welcome, traders. Spirit Fingers Kappa. Merp. The South is Jesus land, man. Something Ponzi. Watching for tips. Thanks, Scarrow. What happened, Crypto? What was for my chair, man? I have to wait and make sure it's not charged back. So I don't get killed. People in their 60s started the internet. Yeah, but it's not the internet we know and love, right?
Julia Gulia tipped $6.66. Okay, now that's out of the way, can we start the stripper pole fund?
That's a good question. That's a good question. We could start the stripper pole fund. We'll start a goal right down here. It's gonna be like stripper pole fund. Shoot, man, they were using the internet. It was like a form of Morse code in World War II or something. I think I remember. It's like the most primitive form of it. It was just literally Morse code, but it was internet. Well, of course, Crypto Colorado, and that chair will be ordered. Just gotta make sure there's no chargeback, because that can happen, which is scary. I mean, I believe it's not, but yeah, here's the daily, man. Getting wrecked, man. Just getting wrecked, but showing a lot of rejection off this candle body close looking left. Oh my god. Wow. Your grandma traded her first coin. She got XRP at 340. Wow. Texas Instruments still holding strong, man. Still holding strong. Those quickulators. The best quickulators on the planet, man. Okay, chat's slow enough now where I can use this. Okay, cool. How long have I been going?
For you not to use poll, but you can get some beer than just to serve, and who can. Jokes aside, love what you appreciate it, man.
Hey, Driz T, man. Thanks so much for those 500 bits, man. Thanks, dude. Appreciate it. So it's not for the stripper pole fund, man. You say it is not? Well, there you go, man. I'm sorry to hear it. I'm sorry to hear it, because it could have been fun, man. The stripper pole. Crypto Tiger, I read my software with cassette tapes too, man. You got a problem, dude? Hey, hey Ryan, dude. KM Ryan, dude. Welcome to the stream, man. We've been going 3 hours and 14 minutes or so now, dude. Been drinking alcohol, okay? Been drinking alcohol, and you know, as you would expect for a 3-hour stream, so please don't judge me, man. What's up, dude? We do coin requests in here, and we hang out. We just been talking, drinking, talking about crypto and life. I've dabbled into margin trading before. How about you, man? Do you margin trade ever, KM Ryan?
Jeff Grau 58 tipped $8.88.
True.
Logan moves. Market dumps. Reverse the curse.
Hey Logan, man, thanks for the 8,088 cents, man. You just, dude. Not Logan, Jeff. Why did I think that? Okay, you know why I thought that, Jeff? Because you said Logan, and you also, and he always donates that weird 8888. Oh my god, dude. Hold on. I gotta redo this. Alright, we're good now. Alright, dude. Dude, Jeff, man. Thanks for the 8,088 cents, man.
Jeff Grau 58 tipped $8.88. Thanks, Matt Damon.
Dude. What? We have a contribution that is thanking someone who contributed. My god, man. Dude, Jeff, man. You the real Jesus, long snapping tight end Jesus, man. I'm a dolphin, man. Okay, Saban, man. Means everything, dude. Keep me rolling, dude. Keep me rolling. Yeah, your support, King Logan, freaking Jules and Julia and freaking everybody. God, y'all are freaking incredible. Y'all have no idea. No idea. It's above and beyond, and I can't believe it. Okay, I can't believe it, man. That's it, though. There will not be one more contribution this evening. Okay, it is declared. It is set in stone. It is done. KM Ryan, do you margin trade, man? Are you still here, man? Did you already leave? Did you already leave? He's already bored, man. That's unfortunate. Okay. Fine. It was that easy to get him out of here, I guess. Thanks, Julia. We appreciate it a lot. Love y'all too. But you know, with Bitcoin, look, I mean, you made a low here, okay, on price. Then you made a lower low on price. Then you made a lower low on price. Every single time, you made lower levels of negative momentum. You do have, in fact, triple MACD bullish divergence. I do declare. Okay, that's it, man. Your only issue is you're below 40 on your RSI. That's your problem. You don't want to be below 40 on your RSI ever, okay? Bacon and eggs, what dreams? I ran out of bacon, man. I finished it up, my last amount up when I woke up this morning and cooked it. I had some last night. But I do have other stuff I could cook. I have some breaded pork chops, some Jamaican jerk stuff, and some meatballs. John Aaron's chair. Ew, spam with mayo? Gross, man. Dude, that guy came in and asked me, he's new. He asked me if I margin trade. I answered immediately. I was so attentive to his needs and his question, and I was just trying to engage back, and I was like, do you? And he didn't answer, and he left. He already left the freaking channel. Can you believe it? I think so, Crypto Kent. Ooh. Oh, look at the TA getting respected like that, dude. Are you serious, man? Unbelievable. You're inside this huge upward sloping channel, so you're okay for now anyway. Jamaican jerk, refined science. No, it's just like this, it's like that Jamaican jerk beef, and it's got all kinds of like onions and vegetables and stuff I could cook. Maybe so, every day is a miracle, maybe so, man. That's right, Crypto can't respect the freaking TA like to Jesus, man. Like to Jesus, man. Crazy. Whatever, man. We're not worried about others.
So much for being a Bitcoin maximalist and broke now.
1K, man. Well, you know, that doesn't make me happy at all hearing that, dude. So. Sorry, man. And, again, thanks so much for the 1,000 bits, dude, man. It means everything. And, again, it's hard to trade a coin that's so low on volume and so stupid. So I got your back, man. We're gonna keep you know, sticking to it and keep looking at it day by day. So sorry to hear that, man. But I know you've done well overall, right? You know, I know you're kidding because you're not broke at all, and I know you're still in the green. But dude, MK, man, still means everything, man. Times will get better, man. They will. Believe me, some of the alts have taken way worse hits, believe it or not. So this is it, our last line of defense, that 8,800 area. Don't fall below it or you are screwed. Don't fall below it, man. Don't fall below it. So. Alright, so look. I guess it's about that time I've been going live. I've been on for 3 hours and 22 minutes now. 21 minutes. We're working on that, Derek. We got a store already with some crypto stuff. It's not specified to my stuff, to my brand really, the Jesus stuff, but we're working on it. Thanks, Crypto Tiger. Driz T, man. Heck yeah, y'all are freaking incredible. Okay. Driz, Billy Langford, Wolves, Julia, Vivella, Jeff, Mr. Damon. He's not here, but Mr. Damon came in with $800 contribution tonight if you just tuned in or don't know. For my chair. Crypto Kent and Michael Connie, of course. Oh, dude, we're gonna get worse than tonight. Okay, I think Friday just might be a regular thing at this point. I've put in a lot of hours, okay, and it's not been, you know, I'm just saying, like, the market's good, it's good, but on the weeks where the market's not good, man, it's not. I get a lot of anxiety when, you know, people that I'm close to are not making money, and I want them to, and you know, I'm doing everything I can to see if I can do that. So we got to get it hard when we can make money, and then try to stay calm when we can't, right? So that's right, my comfy butt. So it's been wonderful. Y'all are freaking amazing. Okay, and I couldn't do it without you. Wouldn't do it without you.